Wabam. I forgot to unmute you. Hold on. Wabam. Nope, not that one. Wabam.
Wabam.
Wabam. All right. Can we hear me? Can we hear Fruitsy? Are we all good? Let me say hi.
Yeah, I heard me. Everybody.
Super Phoenix, hello. Boom's here. I know Fruitsy's here. And Gio's here. Hello.
Boom.
Wabam.
Gio. So many cool people here.
So as cool as beans. Hello. How are we? We're doing code dev.
How cool as beans.
Don't steal my code. There's
I'm
nothing here
stealing
yet.
I'm stealing Boom's code.
Oh, I see. From all the way over there?
Yep.
All right.
The spaghetti spilled into your chat.
Not the spaghetti. Oh my gosh, I went through all the trouble of boiling my tea, and then I didn't get more tea. Whatever, we'll deal with that later. Anyway, how is everybody? How are we? I'm joined by Fruitsy Collins. I'm sure you all know who Fruitsy is. Hi, Starman. Hi, Bliss. Oh my gosh, low poly, hell yeah. Oh, and wide. Hi, Double Dot. Lots of people in today. Oh. We labbing. Let's fucking go. Okay.
Very wide.
Very wide. What was I doing? What were we doing? I spent like all day working on a different secret project. So now I forget what I'm doing in this project.
Secret project.
Secret project. I don't know if it's an actual secret, but it's definitely not something I want on the internet right now. So we'll see. Good, found out what's killing the frame rate in my game today, so now it's back to 60 plus. Let's fucking go. Secret squirrel project. Hell yeah. No, it is. It's actually squirrel stapler. That's exactly what it is. Good, just went to the office to get some writing done. We'll have you open on the side. Absolutely. I appreciate that. Much appreciated. I think last we were here, I was having issues with our scoreboard. I remember now. That is the wrong blueprint. UI stuff, absolutely. Absolutely. I think that's in here. Right, we were having some problems with the sorting for some reason. Here, let me remind myself what the problem was. Oh shit, you know what? Let me not dox my ass. Give me 1 second. There we go. Like Chrome, if you have like multiple profiles and you just, or at least for me, like if you just open it, it like defaults to the one. And I needed to not load into my personal one. I needed to load into the other one. Okay. If I press play. And I do exclamation point play. Right, so it puts me on the leaderboard. It does not put Fruitsy on the leaderboard. I think we got it so that it actually updates my shit at least. Right, like I think if I...
Let me have that toast.
Get that toast. Oh, almost. Oh, shit.
No, that's one block off.
Nice. You pulled a dead sun right there. That's the pro strat.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so now it put you up there because you scored.
Oh,
and now
okay.
I'm not there.
So I guess it's not like querying how many points I have yet.
It's weird. I feel like it. I might have to refresh what I did yesterday because I don't remember. We should set up print stuff, I guess, to inspect exactly what's happening. Absolutely, absolutely. I agree.
If I have I have about a 4-second delay, so like you roughly move 1 square per second, so
Hmm.
it makes it kind of easy to time when to turn.
Oh. Oh, good. It's picking a random color. Thank God. Okay, so that's working.
Oh, am I close enough to it?
Oh, the perspective. I thought you were gonna get that for sure.
Ah, I missed it. Let's see.
Oh, right. And then Dead Sun was talking about doing some overlap. Trying to do that. That could be fun. Once I get this widget sorted.
Bonk.
Bonk, bonk, bonk. Am I getting booped? Oh my god. I can't believe this.
The treachery.
See, this is my problem with Devin this stuff. I just keep watching. I just keep getting mesmerized by these guys.
I do like their jump animation. I got za.
Nice. I also love these models so much. I feel like Dead Sun did an awesome job.
Oh, on the pickups.
Well, just the the food stuff.
Somebody bumped in my butt. I can't believe it.
Well, you're so long now. It kind of it's bound to happen. Oh, I see. Okay. So I do have a print statement somewhere, and it just printed your name twice, which is weird.
I did enter 2 inputs like back to back, so I don't know if that has to do with it.
It shouldn't? Oh, okay. And then Geo just got it, and it also printed your name twice. What the hell?
Maybe I'm like
the
at the
hell?
top of the array and I'm not getting pushed down or something.
It's funny how the eyes wobble when they're teleported from one side to the other.
Yeah. Like the physics.
Just don't. They're definitely not lerping all the way through and we just hide them. Don't worry about it. It's definitely not leftover spring physics.
I wonder how you would stop that. There's like, I know there's options for like teleport without physics, kind of.
Oh,
I don't know if that would apply to, I'm guessing it's a spring bone.
Yeah, they're spring bones. It's just annoying because they do just constantly lerp. So it is literally like, if I turn that off, you would see the head like lerp between them. It's not like a true teleport, I guess. Yeah, it prints your name twice again. And it's only printing twice, when I think it should be looping through the whole thing.
I'm just that good.
It just, yeah. No one else gets to be on the leaderboard. Oh, what are the special types redeemed? That's such a good question. I don't remember all of them. Special types is, well, one of them's Beaker, which I am right now. But that just sets me to a bunch of different costumes. Do I actually? I don't have them written anywhere, do I? I
I
might.
thought maybe they were in the about section.
Oh, they might be. Yeah, if you scroll down, they might be down there. Let me check before I forget.
I apologize ahead of time if I accidentally type debug stuff in your chat.
Oh, you're all good. Working on it. Working on a Fruitsy Redeem. Working on it. I feel like I've been working on it for like a year. I literally have the assets. I have everything I need.
Is it just
I
that
just never threw it in
is
there.
it just that the is it just that the asset is like not working or
No, I literally, well, I don't remember.
because
I
the
literally
the
don't
hair
remember.
is sort of shaped like for my head, so I don't know if maybe that was the issue.
Oh yeah, no costume yet. We are absolutely working on it. That's my secret project, actually. Secret's out.
I just slime with stars or cosmic. Can cosplays the inside of my hat.
Nice. Well, that's true. It does have that panner on it, doesn't it? Let me refund your points there, Supa. Since that didn't go through. There we go. And then I can keep that window open. There we go. What did I miss? I missed a lot. Okay. Geo is now quite long. Oh, and I also have a print on Collide I need to get rid of. May I play the snake game? Yes! Exclamation point play. We'll load you in there.
So I'm finding though apparently that if you have a command in Twyworks and it's expecting a parameter, it doesn't even fire off if you don't give it a parameter. It's not
Really?
like because yeah, I think that's how it works because like I'm checking to see if it's the size is equal to 0 or whether it's empty. Yeah, it just doesn't seem to trigger at all.
That's weird. Oh, like, Hack Captain Steel Pants, it won't work from what I've seen. Oh. That's dumb.
Yeah,
I
because
was hoping I
usually
could try it.
oh, I count stupid pants. Yeah, because I guess it takes in the parameter as an array. I guess if that array is empty, it just doesn't. The binding doesn't trigger.
Hmm.
Because I put a print statement like right after the binding event, and yeah, it just doesn't trigger. It's weird.
Hmm. Oh, and
Because
Geo's...
I'm trying to. Oh, sorry,
Okay.
go ahead.
Oh, yeah, Geo's got it.
Oh,
Yeah, typing to control the snake.
Captain Steel Pants helped me figure out a lot of Twyworks things.
Oh, nice. I need to
Also,
go
my
back and fix that.
also my event queue system. So like, if you ever like that my streams aren't completely chaotic, yeah, I thank Captain Steel Pants for that.
Nice. Oh, that was mean. Geo just went between the two chickens.
Betwixt chickens. I do like the
chickens.
texture work that that's done on those chickens.
Yeah, they look really good. Or the, well, hold on. Yeah, Prince you twice. Let me just do something real quick. Oh, there you go. Ah, shit.
That
I clicked
that
into
sun
the
is a
window.
good model, right? I agree, Captain.
Truly. I can only... Sorry, I'm fucking up everyone's timing here. But I want to see... Well, no. I think if I open one of these, then my frame rate's gonna tank, but I'm gonna try it. Because I would just love to see what is being printed here. Sorry. sorry, I'm gonna fuck up your timing. Give me 1 second. Wait, not that. Shit, no!
This is why they don't put Noodle Snake in Evo. Because all the frame counters are just can't be competitive.
Okay, yeah, so... Ooh, hot dog.
That's a lot of hot dogs.
It's too many.
I think it caps at 9.
I think it'd be worth printing what is leaving the function. Yeah, that makes sense. I think I have that looping through, but here, let's I'm gonna kill it. Okay. Sorry, we'll bring it back up. Yeah, so let me just double check, right? Each time we grab the maximum. Oh wait, do I have it? Oh, that's why it's printing twice. Right? I had it in the function and now I have it outside the function. Okay. So I input the score map into the sort function. Output sorted. That's what I send to the scoreboard. And I'm also grabbing those keys. Right? Okay, so I'm gonna be doing some bullshit while we do this so I can make sure that we get fruit. Oh wait. Just out of interest, print the length of the score mat going. Oh yes, that tracks. Let me just make sure that it's not printing twice now. Okay, that printed once. Okay, yeah. That was definitely that issue. Doing some bullshit, hell yeah. You know it. Just out of interest, print the length of the score map going in. Oh, print length of this. I see. Length.
Doing some bullshit.
That's all a dev stream is. Some bullshit. Okay, we got that. We're printing the length of score map, which is the map going in. Yeah. Okay. So I will play. Okay, yeah. So length is 1 because I'm the only one here. Which makes sense. Okay, length is 2 because there's 2 of us here. But it's not printing 2 lines. Here, let me do some. Here we go.
Will these nuts work as down? Because I think it is.
It does.
It's just getting the first letter right.
It just reads first letter. Yep. Check the length of the yes. Let's do that. I'm sure someone more creative than I can find delightfully not. I was gonna say not safe for work. Not PG-13 phrases for each of those. Nuts, left nuts, out of
It's yeah, it's just add nuts.
Just add nuts.
Down nuts. Keep that on the down nuts.
Oh, I hate that.
Get up for the down nuts, everybody. Okay, sir.
Okay, so we're printing the function or the length of the function that's leaving. Which, if it's 1, even if there's more than one person, then that's weird.
Steel Pants. Cap Steel Pants. Do you know if you can load like a level stream, like from outside of the level blueprint? Like, can a blueprint or can an actor like call it? Because like whenever I zoom in on the slimes, I hide like the cauldron and stuff that would get in the way of the camera when it zooms into them. And I'm doing that on my level blueprint now. I'm wondering if other actors can call that.
We're definitely losing stuff. Yeah, but what's weird is it looks like it's only printing whoever has like the highest score. Like if I give you the highest score, then it puts you up there. If I go to 6, then it puts me up there. So like it doesn't seem to be iterating. It just grabs whatever is max. So if you get 8, yeah. Crazy. Sorry, I took control of your snake. Yeah, so the length is just consistently 1, which is weird. Let me also, while I'm thinking about it, get rid of that collide print, because I don't need that anymore. Oh, don't look at it. Oh, it's embarrassing.
Oh, Captain Steel Pants. Not calling what's in the level blueprint. Basically, I have some sub-levels that are full of objects I like to hide when I zoom in on the slimes. And so I'm wondering, like right now I'm doing that in the level blueprint. I'm wondering if actors can call that kind of thing.
Hi, Deadson. How you doing? Welcome in.
Hello, Deadson Prime. It's me, Deadson Prime, here on Noodle Cat Stream.
Like, when the fuck did Deadson get here?
You've been using data layers so you can have a lot of levels all in one. You can share all the data. I see. Let's see, I can get level. Maybe I can... What does that do?
So, okay, maybe I'm stupid, but...
I don't think so.
Maybe. There's potential. But this, it only, like, am I supposed to be, like, after this, doing the for loop again? No, that doesn't make sense. I'm just wondering how are we updating map length? Yeah, that will loop as yeah. No, that makes sense, but because otherwise it's just gonna go through the length and then what the hell am I doing? My brain's broken.
That's weird. Low level instance by name takes in a string. You'd think it would take in a name.
Wait, it literally says name and it takes a string?
Yeah, because it's weird. The one that I'm calling in the level blueprint takes in a name. I mean, it's like it's kind of the same thing, but yeah, it's weird. Yeah, because level names are not strings; they're names.
Sus.
Come on, Unreal, get it together. Come on, Epic Games.
Yo, let's go. Hi, Mega Mocap. So many cool people here today.
Hi, Mocap. The gravitational pull of these two dev VTubers is bringing all the planets into alignment.
If you use the length directly and plug it into the loop is reducing the length. It will mess up the loop. Oh. What? What are each of you doing? Well, I'm doing some I'm doing some snake game bullshit. I can show you.
Oh, dead son. What am I doing? I am continuing to like refactor the way that like my slimes work to reduce jank and also get all the bullshit out of my level blueprint and into more portable actors.
Mm. There we go.
Please, Mistake is my mother's name.
So grab the length separate to running the loop to make sure the last index is maintained. Right. And then we're removing that. But then we're removing it from the map. What? Wait. Yeah, wait, hold on.
Your buddy's making a logger for performance across OBS, Slabs, Unreal, and some other stuff. Oh, so it will like, does it like tell you how much your CPU like each one is using or something? I'm also suspicious of the new version of NVIDIA Broadcast. Because my slowdown started to happen around the time I upgraded. Although it might also... It was also around the time where I added the fish, so the fish might be slowing things down. All I know is that it's not my fault.
This is absolutely breaking my brain. What? I swear to you this made sense to me last night. I promise. Length -1 to get the last index. So go from 0, right? First to last index. Should work fine. Yeah, because, right, we're looping through. We're adding whatever's maximum and removing that. See, but if we remove this index, yeah, Unreal's being dumb. It's not even looping. Is it because I'm starting with a length of 1? No, because then it would just iterate once. Right? That shouldn't be an issue. Lusty Buns, hello. I found that the new NVIDIA broadcast had a 38 gigabyte text file and hundreds of little... What the fuck? Huh?
38 gig of text files even coming that big? Is it training like AI or something?
Oh, probably. Ew. I'm gonna rebuild this exactly on my end so I can poke at. Yeah, absolutely. I can, there's the whole thing. I don't know if you're on computer. Maybe I'll make that a little bigger. But I think what...
to 720.
Oh, right now? Okay, cool. Well, there's that. So I think what I want to try is throwing a print within this loop. And like, or just see how many times it prints, right? So get rid of that print.
Oh, I can't load a level stream in a function. That's what the issue is. It needs to be an event. That's a pain.
Of course.
Because I guess it's asynchronous. It's annoying. Functions are cleaner. Just let me do it, Unreal.
I installed, deleted the NVIDIA broadcast, and now it does not have that file. So it's... What the fuck?
Oh, does it keep building up, like, over multiple sessions?
Ew. Who would do that? Alright, let
Apparently
me
NVIDIA.
test this. Play. So let me see if it's even iterating through what it should be iterating through. Right? If I eat one now, then it should just print my name because I'm the only one here. If anyone else wants to exclamation point play, and we'll see. Well, there's Dead Sun. Oh, so it is printing twice. It's just printing. Okay. It's just printing me 3 times. What the fuck? Dead Sun, how much, I was about to say memory, how much storage do you have? If you were able to clear that out. Oh wait, you said you had a NAS, don't you? Never mind. So it is iterating the correct number of times, it just keeps grabbing me.
Oh, this isn't gonna be portable because I need to put in the level name. Oh well, I guess I can test to see if it's valid or some shit. Yeah. I guess if this node probably, like if I put in an invalid name, it's probably just gonna ignore it. Yeah, so maybe I don't have to worry about it. Mega Mocap has the world's best NAS name. Let me hear it, Mocap.
I'm ready. Oh, I don't even know how to explain. Nassylvania? Okay, that's pretty sick.
Nassylvania. For some reason, I named my computer Blackula. I don't know why. I think I was watching blaxploitation movies at the time.
My computer's named after my first D&D character.
Oh, nice. Is that are you under NDA, or can you tell us what that is?
Imagine being under NDA for a D&D campaign. That would be crazy.
I mean, if you work on like Critical Role or something, I don't know.
Oh no. No, my first D&D character was named Vesta.
Hmm.
She was a...
What kind of character were they?
She was a halfling pirate. And whatever... There's a word for it. Whatever it is, like, someone who compulsively steals shit.
Kleptomaniac?
That, yes.
I don't know if that's a... I don't know if that's an official term for it, but... Kleptomancer would be like a crime whisperer.
Hell yeah. Oh, Dead Sun's about to get the bread. Hell
Get that
yeah.
bread.
See, but now it's
Thought that
printing
was
Dead
me 'cause
Sun's.
everybody has
Dead
purple
Sun's name
names.
3 times. Oh, you know what? Because it's iterating through, but it's just grabbing Dead Sun's name 3 times. It's not removing it. Which is dumb.
Are you using an array or a map?
I'm using a map.
Okay, yeah, because I was gonna. That makes sense.
I need to make like a little little star PNGs so that when you collide with somebody, it does that instead of just the generic sprite Niagara thing that I have going on right now.
I really like the default size noodle. just the little nubbin.
I think originally I had three segments when you start, but something happened where it just became the 2. I think it kind of works.
Can we call that Nugget Cat?
Nugget Cat, yes. Canon official name. traffic jam.
Ever since they got rid of ever since they defunded the Noodle public transit, it's just been constant traffic jams.
No, we just said add another lane. Can confirm has the same bug on my end. Whoa, that's crazy. Like the collisions. I think it's fun. The collisions took a surprising amount of bullshittery to figure out. Like just with the
To like get them to
timeline
bounce
nonsense.
right or whatever.
Yeah, because right now they just lerp on a timeline. So I was like, how do I make it do a different timeline? But I guess there's a way that you can load in. There's a way that you can load in like a different. Oh my gosh. There's a way that you can load in a different curve, like a different float curve, and have it read from something else. Like just load that in via Blueprint, which is crazy. I'm almost out of tea. Yeah, weird that it doesn't want to remove from that map. You really need to have a cool background. What are you talking about? You don't like the generic grid? You don't like generic Unreal Engine default material grid?
God, it's funny when you play Fortnite and they make like a huge update, or you like switch to Lumen or what have you, like you see that default texture sometimes, like when it's compiling shaders.
Nice.
And then there's that one that looks like the weird green dinosaur skin bubbles that they use for like 2D assets.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I had one of those windows that previews like buy this bullshit this week, but I guess it didn't load correctly and it showed me that dinosaur texture. I was like, I know what that is.
I've seen that shit before.
I'm used to like the source engine just being like the magenta and black checkerboard.
Mm-hmm. New world record. That son beat his own record. Because I just keep leaving this up. Ooh, that was a well-timed turn.
I love when you like hover over something in Unreal. It's like this node has a bool called should block on unload, and so I hover over it, and the text is just the name of it. It's not a very good tooltip. And then you look it up online, and it just like tells you this is what it returns and what it takes in. Like, oh, thank you, because I couldn't tell in Unreal based on the color of the nodes. It's just dumb.
Yeah, I've been doing a lot of trying to do like I say actual coding, but blueprinting is kind of actual coding. I mean more like actually writing code instead of like node-based shit. I've been trying to do some of that at work, but the programs that we use like just have horrible documentation. So it's like, hey, how do I use this function?
Are you trying to use some kind of like Visual Studio for like C++ or something?
Luckily a lot of it is Python, which for me is easier to read than anything else.
JSON.
Yeah, exactly. I do actually do a lot of work with JSON files, and now I think of that every single time, so thank you for that. Oh, there's Father Time. Okay, so now it's printing. Okay, that's correct, that it's printing 4 times, but it's It's just printing Dead Sun 4 times. A Python is almost a noodle. You're right, almost. Yeah, I really gotta learn C++.
Yeah, I took a course in how to use C++ for Unreal, but it was like a 12-hour course, so it didn't like sink in.
Hmm.
There's like a big 80-hour course that like shows you how to build like a C++ project game from scratch that I've been meaning to take, but in this free time.
Yeah, no, I feel that. I mean, just do what I did and
It
get
would
an
at
organ removed real quick. You'll get 4 weeks for free.
Nice. I don't know if my work would do that.
Damn.
Washington's like labor laws are more relaxed than a lot of places, which is why a lot of tech companies try to open shit here.
Oh. I see. Oh, traffic jam. Looks like something is distinctly bugged with the remove. Oh, boo. I got a C and C. Dead Sun, look what you've done. You're getting everyone stuck. Oh my god.
Oh, this is just Nobi boy. Blocking himself.
It seems that 30 is too much. Oh, never mind, 31.
Can Dead Sun make a noodle so long that even he cannot overcome it? Maybe after it was a failsafe, they'll like blow up or something, or they'll split into like multiple noodles that you can control with the same command. Because they have those yeah, well, because in like some of the newer Mario games, they have an item that's like double cherries, and when you eat it, your character splits into 2 different characters, and your inputs will control like the 2 characters at the same time, but there are parts of the level that will split them apart, and so the same inputs will have like different results on the 2 different characters, and it makes for some pretty fun puzzles.
Interesting.
Like you can have one of them like walk up against a wall to kind of like make the other one move so they get into the position that you want before like, you know, going around the corner. So that they can both like walk onto 2 different switches at the same time, shit like that.
Maybe the 2 long cats could become trophies like you, or like the one of you on fruit. Ooh, that's true.
Yeah, maybe your noodle can like graduate, and it gives you like a points like multiplier or something.
You just get a feather on your
Yeah.
it's a feather, and what's the other one? You have a flower, right? It's like you
and
won the slime
we had the
race.
fish too.
Oh, you're right. That's so good. I'm gonna write that down though, because I do agree that it can get a little too long.
Your noodle goes off to college.
Goes off to college.
Farm up the road, where they can eat all the low poly food that they can eat.
Yes. The freshman 15.
Look at this Ouroboros that Dead Sun's created.
Oh, it's horrible. It's an abomination, but it's perfect. Once you get the up and over, it's going to be... Oh, that's true. That's true. We were going to do... instead of everyone's stuck. I think that might be game over. Wait, what are you getting stuck on?
I think everybody's just stuck on...
Yeah, no, you shouldn't be stuck. What are you hitting? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You're not fully stuck.
That's interesting. Yeah, because nothing was really blocking Dead Sun, but he was like... I don't know what was stopping him.
Yeah.
I wonder if it was the other noodles bumping into him that was like resetting him or something.
Yeah, maybe.
Because it did get resolved eventually. I don't know
Mm-hmm.
why like the time passing would make it resolve. Because usually with those kind of things, it's either like it it fixes itself in a fraction of a second, or it never fixes itself.
Oh, it did it when you went up instead. Oh, okay. Hmm.
Oh, he changed directions. Okay, that would explain it.
I see.
I was overthinking it.
See, now Dead Sun has like a monopoly on like half the board.
Yeah, it's rich get richer. Deadson has become the 1%. There's gonna be a whole like sub economy based around just Dead Sun's noodle, like Versailles or something. Dead Sun's long cap pretty much is the House of Versailles when you really think about it.
If you really think about it.
Yeah,
Really
and I do.
hard. I, for one, think about it all the time. Ooh, I think that might be a... Uh-oh.
Yeah.
It's true, that's
Yeah,
a
I don't know
that's
if
a new
Deadson
record.
I don't know if Deadson can get out of that situation.
You can have one more chocolate bar, though.
Oh no, Deadson's been Uzumaki'd.
Oh, shit.
I knew it would happen eventually.
Hi, Belle, how are you? And wonderful guest. Yeah, do you know Fritzy? I think you came into one of my Red Dead streams, so I don't know if you're here for
Yeah,
the dev stuff usually.
I don't think Belle's been in my streams. Hello, Belle.
Oh. Well, this is Fruitsy. Fruitsy is thick as hell, another Unreal Engine VTuber, and has like a very complicated and very cool virtual pet system. So next time they're live, get yourself a slime. It's very fun.
Yeah, I think the next time I'll stream is probably Saturday. Like I'm probably not gonna be done with like refactoring my project, but I can just load up a previous version of it because they use the same save file for the slime, so that can just be transferred.
I had to do some very dumb hoop jumping, but oh my gosh, Gio's doing my work for me while I'm watching Dead Sun's 41 long snake. Thank you, Gio.
Dead Sun, what have you wrought? Look at what you did.
Everyone's stuck.
This is a good like parable. Like the things just become recursive as they grow in like consumption. This game's really about late capitalism when you think about it.
And that was intended. Authorial intent is here. Definitely meant to make this commentary. Can anyone join? Yes! Exclamation point and play. Oh.
Yeah, let's make this clusterfuck.
Hey, I need to make it so that you can't join twice.
Oh wait, am I? I don't think I'm in there though.
Gio's in twice.
I see.
I think it's breaking things. Uh-oh.
Oh, well, you know what that means.
Oh, I see. No more room for snake. Wait. How many people do we have in here? That's not true. Are there 8 snakes in here? I see. Everyone tried to break it. So everyone... So that's... I do have a maximum of 8 people in here, so...
I didn't realize that you were that was an automated message. I thought you were just like,
when I'm just here frantically typing, fucking stop!
No more for snakes.
No more room! Oh, that's good. Look at all that food that's out there, though, now. Cool. Cool. Anyway, now that we're out of room, let me write down that you can join twice. I need to make it so that you can't join twice. Can't control the other dead son. Yeah, it probably just keeps control of your one. This has evolved so much since I last checked in. Hi, Bovine Goddess, how are you? Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I guess you could use like an event dispatcher and just like have all the ones with that name like listen in on it or something.
Mm-hmm.
If you wanted people to have multiple noodles.
Yeah. Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah, because that could be cool to have like puzzles where like having multiple instances would like if you wanted noodles to like press a button at the same time or something.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
Yeah,
traffic jam.
Let's it's good to get feature creep in there nice and early.
See, well, that's the problem.
So
I like these ideas, so I want to do it.
But you've got a solid foundation here, so.
That's true, because like now is the time where you add the fun stuff, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you've got the bones. Add some meat.
We got burgers, we got pies. No, we got meat. We got chicken and stuff. Oh my gosh, I need to add the other things. I have to write that down too. I need to add the cheese and the donut. That son made me more things. I reached the goal. Yes, you've Ouroboros yourself. Okay, I think everyone's stuck. I'm gonna stop it. Or everyone. Yeah, hold on. Let me 1 second. I'm gonna screenshot this because I think it's funny. I feel like when there's a collision, you should do. Oh wait, you told me to look at that up, and then I never did. What does that mean?
Choo Choo Rocket?
Yeah. What is that? I don't remember.
Choo
You
Choo
told me to look
Rocket
it up, and
was
then I didn't look it up.
It was a game for the Dreamcast, so it's from the before time.
Before
but
time.
yeah, it's like it was like a grid-based kind of action puzzle game where you would you were trying to get mice into a rocket.
Oh, okay. The mice always turn right.
Yeah, mocap. I'm more of a Sega Swirl kind of person. Sega Swirl was this like puzzle game that would be in like demo discs for like Dreamcast games. They were always like they just threw it in there to like fill up space on the disc.
Ozen Snorts, hello, happy day.
I'm pretty sure it was just to make sure that the demos were on the outside of the disc.
Let's see, have you ever used the multi-user editing plugin in UE5? Whoa, I've never heard of this. I'm trying to get it to work. Is that like a default? Or not a default, like a built-in plugin?
Is that for like version control or something?
Allows collaborative multi-user sessions in the editor. What?
That sounds like it has a lot of room for things going wrong.
So multiple people can work on a project, kind of like in VR. Whoa. Yeah, I wish I could help you out there. I have never used it. That's super cool, though. Wait, is there like documentation on this? Welcome in, by the way. I never said welcome in. Hi. I keep going to check my Discord and doing my starting soon, and then I don't actually check it. There we go. Let's check it. Oh, okay, here. There's the code. Can I open this? Or no, we can open it there. So there's the code. Wouldn't always go right be annoying with the stream delay. You wouldn't be able to predict your direction the cat is going. Yeah, I guess so. Maybe. I've seen tutorials for that. I was thinking of setting it up for our 48-hour... Ooh, 48-hour film fest. Interesting.
Oh yeah, Mocap does those film festivals. Did you see the one that he did with um Vin Diesel and The Rock fighting each other over all of Vin Diesel's movies, his multiverse of movies?
Wait, did Dead Sun show that on a stream the other day? Or like a week or so
Yeah, I
ago?
think
Or was
he
that.
showed. Yeah, he showed it like, yeah, probably like 2 or 3 weeks ago.
Oh, okay, okay. When it works, it's good, but it
That,
broke real
that's
fast. Oh, boo.
that's a good point, Mocap.
If you saw it, you would never be able to forget it despite how much therapy. Do people mostly just use version control to stream to each other? Or in stream to. See, or at least with Unreal stuff, I usually only do like solo stuff. I never even considered working with other people, so.
Yeah, I've never been on a team really.
One day,
At least
maybe.
not one where we had to like do version control with each other.
Mm. Oh, I
I
see.
need
You
to
have to
learn
like.
more about version control is something that I really have neglected learning how to do properly. Oh, hello, Witcher. Good to see you.
Witcher, first time chat. I saw Fruitsy here instead of streaming, so I decided to drop by. Well, welcome in. Welcome in. No slimes, unfortunately, but
No,
I'm pretty cool
we're
too. I think.
Noodle is very cool. You should hang out with Noodle. Yeah, if you like the vibes of my stream, you definitely like the vibes of Noodle's stream. It's very relaxed, very fun. Lots of spaghetti, as you can see.
Lots of spaghetti. As long as you're okay with more shits and fucks than on Fruitsy's stream, then then we're good.
I don't. I think I swear more than you do. I don't know.
Really? At least dev
I do
streams, I feel
swear a
like
lot.
I swear all the time. Boom's back. Hello. To steal the code. I have to give you those images. Oh my gosh, I keep forgetting.
See, look into diversion. Let's see.
Let's see, most teams I work with use version control and use sublevels to allocate separate dev work to review once every 2 days. Oh, interesting. Okay.
Oh, diversion says the first thing that says is perforce alternative. I do like that because I fucking hate perforce.
Yeah, fuck that shit.
You've got my attention. Now just tell me more. You're not perforce.
Oh, I remember what I was doing. I got distracted. We were gonna, I see, because it kind of looks like, yeah, this is still up. It kind of looks like you have to do the remove stuff in, yeah, it looks like we're setting arrays, because I guess removing arrays makes sense. Yo, thank you for the follow. I appreciate that, Witcher. I appreciate you.
You won't regret it. Noodle Cat streams are very fun.
We do dev every so often. Actually, I was gonna say I've been doing Red Dead a lot, but I'm not sure I'm gonna come back to it. I got
really?
through chapter 6, and I'm not sure I want to do the epilogues. the moment the moment things swapped over to like epilogue time, I'm like,
Oh,
I'm not sure I'm interested.
Oh, you're playing as Martian now.
Yeah. See, but I didn't play the first game, so I don't know.
Yeah.
Alright. I keep getting distracted by version control stuff in chat, but I need to figure out this stuff. Not to say I don't care about version control, but I a little bit don't care about version control.
I'll learn about version control once I regret not knowing version control.
You can't just pull the index, you actually have to save it to a value first, or that breaks too. What the fuck? Okay, so it's just janky as hell. Oh, I see, you're saving it as index. Ew. That's weird. It's janky, but if it works, it works. Alright, so we grab the keys and values, and then we set the keys and values. Keys in is in a string array. And then we need values in. Can't type. Janky, but we're not having to do a 2-loop to sort stuff, so it's yeah. Yeah, I'm not complaining. What is this? Ints. Set. Yeah. Set. So we'll break that, we'll break that. Do we still set the length? I think we do, right? Oh, we don't. Oh, okay. We just plug the length in directly, okay. Well, I'm sure it'll still work, but I'm going to follow this to a T. I feel like Fritzy's PNG is staring into my soul. Well, maybe it is. Maybe that's intentional.
There was a PNG tuber program I was looking into where it does eye tracking like based on where your mouse is, which is kind of cool.
Ooh, that is cool.
But at some point it kind of just turns into like low key like live 2D.
Oh yeah. Not that. 1000. Okay, so we set the index. Okay, so it's actually not too much different, but it's not different logically. It's different in terms of maps versus arrays versus whatever. The keys in. So we add it, and then we have to remove it from the 2, right? Oh, wait, we have to set index first. Set index, and then do you use index? Oh yeah, you grab index up there, and you have to remove them. That's so weird. Oh wait, no, I'm not grabbing that index, I'm grabbing this index. Yeah. They both said index, so I was like, well, bam, done. Okay, yeah, and then remove index. Oh.
Now it's my street.
Oh.
Sorry, I was I was overcome by power. I've gone mad with my moderate amount of power.
Move index. Yeah, there we go. Okay. And it's not gonna be pretty.
Let's see if this works. Oh, the Bigly's in my chat.
Nice.
Oh, the Bigly.
Very Fritzy and noodles. Fritzy does not have collisions, unfortunately. Okay, so hopefully that works, right? Let's try that. That looks right to me. Okay. Get ready. Get ready with your exclamation point plays. Okay. Hey, okay. There you go. I gave you one. Oi. Oi.
Sorry if you were trying to test something specific. I'm sorry if I messed it up.
Well, no, I'm just... It was mostly so that it actually populates over here, right? So, as long as there's that. It is mistracking your score, but if I make it so that you can't join twice, then that should be fine. Oh, there's Boom. Okay, I was wondering what it would do with your username. I'm very glad that that you joined. It looks fine though. It looks okay.
Boom's trying to do a buffer overflow to start executing arbitrary code. I keep reusing that joke all the time.
Hey yo, getting raided. Hi Storm, how are you?
Raiders.
Welcome in. What were you guys doing? What were you guys streaming? Very EP. Well, I certainly won't keep you if you gotta go rest or go eat or drink or do something. I was arting. Ooh, drawing sesh. Very cool. I need floor. That I feel that's understandable. But yeah, we're doing some dev stuff over here. We're doing some code dev. So I'm working on a silly little snake game where chat can spawn in as a noodle snake. I've been lurking, hell yeah. Hell yeah. You made so much progress. Yeah, I know, it's the textures actually work. Something's up with the opacity mask though. I don't know if you can see it on stream, but like these now have little edges. And if I disable the opacity mask, those go away. So something's funky with what I'm doing there. Oh, traffic jam. I can't see him with the tiny screen. Here, wait, let me yoink. Let me yoink. A little better? Maybe? Oh, yeah, okay, there's Dead Sun. Dead Sun was added. Very cool. Well, let's see, who do we have? Don't we have 2 fruitsies? Yeah, we do. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I'm seeing double here. 4 fruitsies.
Seeing double. Stream delay sucks, truly. Truly. That's honestly the biggest challenge about doing anything interactive like this. It does. I think once we overlap and stuff though, I think it'll be much better. Right? I think that's another thing that I didn't anticipate. That, like, the collision with other people would, like, mess up, like, your timing, right? Right? Like, if you hit somebody and, like, you hit somebody after you typed thinking that you're gonna go somewhere, like, yeah. I think if we overlap, then that'll be okay. Yeah, no more room. Sorry. I think it's keeping track though. I think it's all working and we're sorted. I mean, it's working except I think except for Fruitsy's one because you're in here twice, but that's okay. We'll fix it. I got to yes, go lie on floor. You deserve it. Thank you for the raid though. I hope y'all had a good time. It is utter chaos over here with other noodle collision. Ooh, cosmic, hell yeah. Sorry I missed it. What's the bread or cheese? You can't eat, wait, what? You can eat anything if you put your mind to it. Ooh, space cowboy.
I didn't even think about that. Yeah, that is what I'm doing. This is the return of the space cowboy.
Oh my gosh, I need like, I'm realizing I need like exactly your emote for like collisions. Or maybe we're getting, no, we'll still collide with the walls and shit. Just not with each
Oh,
other.
we get stars, yeah.
Because right now it's literally just the shitty little sprite renderer, because I just needed something.
Yeah, I guess like...
Oh, we're tied for first.
Yeah, you can either do a Niagara, or it might just be more performant to have like a widget or something.
Yeah, maybe. I think it's Niagara right now, but... Oh, we are neck and neck.
Because if you're gonna have it look the same each... Yeah, maybe it is good for it to be more procedural, though. I mean, you could take that Niagara effect and just replace, like, the sprite with the custom one, I would think.
Yeah, you probably can. I mean, you've got to be able to. I just don't know how to do it.
Oh yeah, I was just saying if you like the way that it moves.
Mm-hmm. Okay, well we got the scoreboard working, so then I just have to make it pretty. I also think I have to start thinking about how I'm gonna present this. Like, I think Dead Sun was in chat when we were talking about like maybe doing like an arcade cabinet. Like have it look like you're looking at an arcade cabinet. I don't know.
Oh, I don't remember that, but yeah, that would be cool.
I'm just thinking because like right now like this is just like a 4x3 thing. But I am gonna have to put it in a way that that chat can read who's who.
Mm-hmm. It would be kind of cool that if you couldn't join because it was filled up, the user would like put a quarter on the screen or something, like when you're calling dibs on like a fighting game.
Nice. Yeah, we need overlapping for sure. I don't know how long this has been running, but people are already like 20 noodles long.
Yeah, maybe they can decrease in size over time or something.
Oh, it's really not letting you go left, is it? I see all those L's. Yeah, we're all like really stuck now. Weird. Yeah, does it not accept inputs from either of you? What if they shrink on every collision? Probably could. But if we're doing overlap, then maybe not. It's because it's the edge before the jump. Oh, is that why? I think it would be a lot more fair too, you know? Fair to like people timing their stuff, but I don't know, maybe, well, I don't know if that makes sense, but anyway, we'll look into it. Oh, I don't know if you can get out of this one. Yeah, you might be these guys might be technically still in this block, so you might not be able to get out. Everyone is stuck. Okay. Oh, yep, you've been Uzumaki'd. Congrats.
Turns
Oh, you
into
got-
a secret horror game.
You got 2 foods in here though. Those are yours for sure. The overlap would be better for stream. Yeah, I agree. I'm realizing that I think it looks like I'm pointing my gun directly at your head when I look at my main monitor. I have you here at gunpoint.
Just keep careful track of how rapidly I'm blinking and trying to send the help messages.
Crimes being done. I mean, I didn't actually shoot anybody, so we're fine. It's not a crime to threaten someone with violence.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure holding someone at gunpoint isn't actually a crime.
That's not a crime. Surely.
You just happen to be in the way of my gun.
Exactly. He ran into my knife. Little musical theater joke for other nerds in chat. Okay, I think I'm gonna end this one. We got up to 25 though. And it looks like this is working. This is like resetting itself, which is very cool. Snake is this down now. What do you think about the name Noodle Cat Snack Attack? I like that. I enjoy that.
The noodle bowl?
I'm almost getting my own tail. Yeah, you've almost Ouroboros yourself at 15. Imagine if this started underneath the... Wait, if this started underneath a microscope? Oh my god. Yeah, we're all just microbes, actually. Ouroboros be like, oh, yeah, I think... Oh no, you're not quite stuck, but we're almost stuck. Alright, I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call that session complete. Boom's coming after it, but oh, I am Boom. This is a Boom stream now. Oh, nice. Boom's on a mission, absolutely. Coming after first place. Have a time-based limit per round. Oh yeah, like have a timer tick down and just like see, well, at least for this, definitely see how high you get within like, I don't know, however many minutes, but I know. Well, Dead Sun got to, was it 41? Or was it 40? I don't remember. What if the more you eat, the slower you go? It was 41. Okay. That's the all-time record, 41. But I think everyone is almost right and truly stuck. Oh, no.
You're like
Boom's got
creating
it.
they're creating a barricade for my for my my noodle.
Yeah, you're not allowed to go anywhere.
It's really for my own protection.
You did it. You've Ouroboros. What are you at? You're at 18? So I guess 17, which is annoying. I think that makes sense though. Anyway. You've also done it. Whee! No, Dead Sun, you can't join again. Actually, 2% slower per section would work quite well. You think so? You think so? I just don't know how I'd do that. Maybe there's something I can do. You think it would be harder? I guess that would make sense. Yeah. I think maybe if this was a standalone, not standalone, but like not Twitch-based, I think that could work. But the fact that we're dealing with stream delay, I think, snakes or snacks holes, oh my god. Or I guess you'd go faster with more points, right? Oh, that's not a, how is that not a collision? Oh. I think we've stuck ourselves. Smaller snakes would be at a disadvantage because of input speed, yeah. Oh wait. Boom, you're free! No, you're not. What the fuck? Boom, can you go up? Will it let you do that? Oh, no, what the hell? I do enjoy that we're seeing some, weird edge cases here. Ooh! Boom just fucking captured you. I bet it's checking the one the head is in, but not the one in front. Well, no, it should be checking the next head position. Right, because these ones are fine. Constricting Geo. Yeah, what are you stuck on? This is weird. Yeah, I have no idea what's happening to Boom. Can you not go anywhere? You can't up or right? Yeah, what are you getting stuck on? You should not be hitting anything. Oh. Oh, you had to up again? What? Yeah, that's weird. Alright, I'm gonna close it now. I'm gonna do it. Off to bed? Absolutely. Absolutely. Thank you for the help with troubleshooting, Geo. Much appreciated. I'm gonna close it though. I'm gonna do it. This needs to be a standalone with 40 multiplayer. 40 player multiplayer. That'd be crazy. Make lots of fat snakes? Absolutely. I need to make a curry that makes you go fat. Ooh! Beach creep, let's fucking go.
Sit, stand, desk, transform. Form
Hell yeah.
up. I just like pretending that my desk is a Robotech.
10-minute rounds with an auto reset. Yeah, I think that would track. Or then you would like it could be like a level selection almost. Good night, Geo. Have good sleep.
Hey, Gio. Sweet dreams.
Now I'm gonna do it. Oh, bonk. I'm gonna do it now. I also like the idea that you just have to get to an endpoint with a high score. as a mode. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now that makes sense too. Yeah. I think you're hitting something over here. Oh yeah. Yeah, wait, what's happening here? I would love to know what you're hitting. That's weird. We got some weird shit going on with the collision. But I guess we're gonna replace it with overlapping right now, so it's not the end of the world. Okay, now I gotta actually do some dev stuff. People keep moving, and I don't wanna kill their snakes, but we're gonna do it. Oh, what's happening? Oh,
They're
that's
just
you.
they're going to the snake farm.
Maybe there's a way that I can save like personal bests, like between instances. I'm not sure. Well, would that actually work between packaged projects or no? Maybe that wouldn't work.
What work?
Like if I were to do like save people's personal bests between games.
Yeah, well, you just have to copy the save file over
Oh, you would
to
okay.
the package project.
Ah.
I don't know if there's a way for like a package project and an editor project to like share a like common file, or so like it could redirect to one spot.
Mm-hmm.
Never tried anything like that. I always just like copy the file over.
Got you. Okay.
Because if you package your project in development, it should give you like a saved game folder.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. Hmm. Okay, now I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it for real now. We're gonna do some dev stuff because I have a list now of things that I have to do. Right?
Mm-hmm.
I think first and foremost, well, maybe not. I'm thinking about having us like respawn at 0, or like with no points if you get like truly stuck, like if you spiral yourself or something. Well, no. We're doing collision. Hold on. Let me actually make a list. Number 1 is overlap, because that'll solve some other problems. Oop, Fez. You're right, we're labbing. And then actually number 0 before that is don't let people join twice.
No matter how many times I look up what a NAND bool is, I'm never gonna remember. Like NAND and XOR and all that shit.
Right, that's, I mean, it's not and, right? But I don't know what that means, really.
Yeah, well, I keep looking it up and I'm like, okay, I get it. And then like a month later, I need to look up again and I'm like, I don't get it.
Yeah, no, I don't get it. Because then there's a NOR as well, of like not or.
Well, I think I get NOR. It's like NAND and ZAND. I don't know. And XOR.
And XOR.
Like XOR, yeah.
I don't think I even know what XOR is. Like, I don't think I've ever heard of that. Okay, so 0s don't join twice. Number 1's overlap. I also have to add food. That's an easy one. Consider yourself unfortunate. Oh god. You don't know it's so.
Do
you even no? I do not math. I do not like math. I say as I do logic bullshit math stuff like all day today.
I like how the term applied math means the opposite of what you would think it does. It's basically math that like has no like real world use.
Unapplied math. Oh, right. So we got the overlap. Let me just check everything else. because I have a very long list here of things we want to implement. I'm in kind of a situation here. Yeah, I need to make it so that if we keep collision, I need to make it so that you don't, so that you respawn if this happens. Right? Because you're in this situation, you two are in this situation somehow, Geo's in this situation. We gotta look into that. Okay. I think those are the main three though. Don't join twice and add food are easy, and then overlap is gonna be really fucking hard, but hopefully it'll be fun. Same position for like 15 seconds, yeah. Yeah, like if it's just repeatedly colliding, yeah. Very fun game. Is it? I hope so. The stream delay really makes me worried about it. Yeah, 31, not the all-time record, but getting close. You are quite long. Oh, you know what else? Let me add that to my list as well. I have to reverse the UVs on the one turn piece. Check. What's the record? Dead Sun has the record at 41. At 41, but there also weren't 8 snakes on the field at the time, so... So it was a little bit easier to get them. I think this was brought up at one point. How would we feel about maybe a redeem of like just throw more food on the field? Like just add like
for people
5
that can't participate somehow.
Yeah. I think that could be interesting. You get in the game. Okay. I wanted to see how far you wanted to go. I don't wanna just kill the cats, you know? What if the largest cat throws up all her food at the end of the game so you can see it all? Ew. That's so fucking gross. That would be funny though. Alright, we'll end it. We'll actually do some dev. We'll actually do what the stream title says we're doing. Okay.
Dev.
Very good game though. Remember your score if you wanna if you want to remember your personal best. But oh, I was gonna write that down too. Personal best. Yeah, good game, absolutely. I think that's lowest priority though. Okay. So, number 0 on my list is don't join twice. Let's make it so that you cannot join twice. And then maybe we can increase the number of snakes as well, if we do overlapping, right? Maybe. Oh, okay, so we do have a player array. So I think before any of this, we have to we have to see if they're already in the player array. Here we go. Get contained.
Oh, I like Mocap's idea. It's kind of cool.
Whoa.
Or there's like a picnic table that has all this stuff piled on top of it.
That would be interesting, because then you just have to keep track of the static meshes that your snake has consumed.
Yeah, or you could. Yeah, you could like. You could have like a map of static meshes and then just like keep track of the names of.
Yeah, because I mean I have, where is it? Oh yeah, I have the somewhere. Yeah, I have the food. I think it's a map, is it not? Wait, what the fuck? Where is that?
Because I was thinking a data table, but data tables are harder to like look up.
Hmm. How do I have it set?
It could be like a Kirby game where like the winner screen is like, you know how you have the first, second, and third like different heights platforms. You gotta have that like be the food that they ate. Like the pile of food gets higher, and that's what like pushes them up higher in the results screen or something.
Oh, like having like a proper results screen. Oh, okay, I like that. Interesting. Will this game have a battle pass? No, but it will have loot boxes.
It's noodle bucks.
I thought it would be more realistic. Yeah, ew.
Cats do like to do that.
They do.
Well, I don't think they like it, but they do it.
Yes, they do. But yeah, I do have a food array. So like, I could probably keep track of maybe the index, or I could keep track. We'll think about it. Oh, right. We have to see if the player array already contains this person. If true, we have to print your mom. Oh, that sends a Twitch message. We need to not just send a Twitch message of your mom.
I got served. Damn it.
If false, then continue. To see if there's room. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Send a Twitch message that says Goober. And then you can do the rest of it. Yeah. Okay. So I will give that a try, make sure that that works. I will press play. And I will be there, and if I do it again, then it tells me I'm a goober. Good, implemented, done.
Get goober.
Get goober. Nice, boom. Get goobered. Okay, so overlap is going to be hard, but adding food will not be, so we will do that. Okay, here we go. For that, I have to actually grab it from Dead Zone. He sent that long time ago. There it is. Extract here, please. Where do I have my snacks? Where did I put those? There we go. Now we can see fruit seeking.
I need to go AFK for a few moments. I will be back.
For sure. You know what? Maybe I'll do a quick BRB because I have to go make tea as well.
And I'll just I'll stare over them judgingly.
Nice. Ooh, hydrate. Yes, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. All right, let's go sleepy while we do that.
Hey everybody, it's me, Noodle Cat Does Things. How's everyone doing? Destructo Disc. I sound sick. How dare you? No, this is just my dead son impression. Yeah, I don't have an impression of Noodle Cat. Noodle Cat just has like a normal, pleasant voice, so there's not too much of parody, really. I mean, Noodle Cat swears a lot, but so do I, so I don't know. It's not much of a departure. You are becoming very long. Hi, Cat Pie. Noodle Cat is away from computer for a little bit, but I'm Fruitsy Collins. Noodle Cat's his friend. If you have any questions about the stream, I can try my best to answer them. I don't know if you might have been here before. I'm not sure. You've lurked out a few times. Very cool. Yeah, I lurk in Noodle Cat streams a lot because it's very, very cozy vibes. Very pleasant. And also she streams while I'm at work sometimes, so I can't participate as much as I'd like to.
I have returned.
Welcome back.
Oh, hopefully you haven't been back for too long. Hopefully I didn't leave you alone.
I've been. Don't even love my own thoughts.
I made some
Nah,
green tea.
I was. Oh, very nice. Any kind of like particular green tea, or just like a
Well, decaf, but pretty generic. I don't have anything fancy right now.
Don't believe Salem Hazel. I wasn't bullying them at all.
You can get me banned.
I wasn't bullying a bunch of idiot babies.
Cup is a cat.
Cup is a cat. Hello.
It has to be. Yeah, it's stupid o'clock for you.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm looking at my globe right here, and yeah, doing the math, carry the 4. Yeah, it's exactly stupid o'clock.
I hope you're okay despite lack of sleep though. When I leave Fruitsy in charge of my channel, they make fun of me. Oh.
What are you talking about, Dead Sun Prime? I think I'm a perfect facsimile of you. Me, Dead Sun Prime. Uh-oh, got a fart.
Damn. Got him.
Oh boy, me, Dead Sun Prime, is so gassy. I'm sorry about that. Noodle Cat was kind enough to have me guest on her stream, and I don't know. This bit's over.
Stinking up the place.
I know, God. Well, if you're Dead Sun Spaceship's air filter supplier, you just have you're set for life.
Yeah. I'm embedded least just had an exciting day and still kind of buzzing from the air. Ooh, tell me about your day.
Yeah, I want to know
Unless you
too.
don't want to. Uh-oh. uh, boom, can you get out of this? Okay, yeah, there you go. Ooh, the
Crisis
drama.
averted. Tensions are high in this game.
Truly. Okay, so I also need to pick a pretty font for for this scoreboard. Boom's already almost at 20, which is crazy. Mostly personal stuff. Maybe I'll tell in DMs sometime. Oh, absolutely. Well, yeah, don't want to. You definitely don't. You're not obligated to tell me anything or tell anybody anything. Did my cat just give up on life? Maybe. I can't move this camera, right? Yeah, maybe it did. Maybe it broke. That's dumb. Yeah, because that's you over there, right? I'm sabotaging you. Oh! Oh, that's you. I gotta edit these values. That reminds me. I have to make it so that you're actually within these... Oh, there you are. I see. Sabotage. I'm reading this as Boom is just... Yeah. Lol. It's perfect. I don't know what you're talking about. And this is actually all a ploy, because then Twitch is gonna be like, wow, look how many chatters. You should, like, boost this person in the algorithm. That's what happens,
Sometimes
right?
I'll look at my stream summary sometimes and look at like the number of active chatters and like a bar graph, and it's every 30 minutes there's just a gigantic spike.
Nice. And it's all cheering. It's all cheering or people trying to cheat.
Yeah, it's just a bunch of bots talking about like the best viewers on asterisk asterisk asterisk.
Yeah.
Got some white peach calpico. It's very good.
What's that?
Oh, I'm drinking some white peach flavored calpico.
That sounds delightful. That sounds very good. I love peach.
Very refreshing.
If I'm ever at a boba place or something and they have like a peach like oolong or something, I'm all about that.
Yeah, that kind of thing is my go-to if I don't want a shitload of sugar, and I usually do. So usually when I want a shitload of sugar, I get Thai tea.
Nice. Boom can't answer you, Dead Son. Boom's locked in.
Oh, you still have the BRB up on the screen.
Thank you. And we're back.
That was a special part of the stream for the patrons.
Yeah, exactly. Which is funny because we have an ad starting soon. Boom likes lure. Now only serious dev
Is
work,
Lurd
you're right.
is Lurd some kind of like food substitute kind of gamer powder or
Gamer powder. Ooh.
I'm sorry for that phrase.
It kind of sounds like a
Gamer dust.
No, that's in my keyboard.
Gamer leavings.
Lard, but with lurbs.
Lardier.
I think Boom's after this all-time high score of yours, Dead Son. Cleaned out my keyboard, and that was so great. I can imagine. Gamer flakes.
Oh yeah,
my favorite
anytime you
cereal.
turn every time you turn a keyboard like upside down, it's just like let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
What happened to my cat? That's a good question. Did you up, down, left, right, and nothing's happening?
Are they out in the void maybe?
Is there a way that I can force like debug cam? Like where
Yeah,
I can see?
F8 if you're in the editor window.
Yeah. Where is your cat? Oh wait, oi, 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 oi. There you are. You're on the edge here. So you probably have to left? No, you have to go right. Yeah, sometimes it can spawn outside the window. Sorry, now we can all see again. Yeah, I think you're over here.
Oh, and
didn't
Dead Sun,
accidentally-
before you got here, we were talking some sugar on the low poly assets that you made for the game. They're very good.
They're so good. Ah, there you are. Okay, cool. Yeah, I need to make those so that you can't get stuck out there. Well, I'm glad you enjoyed making them. Hell yeah. Because they look really good. I think they turned out really well. Emotional. Oh, I see what you're doing. I see.
Yeah, doing boom emotes or boom redeems.
For the winning screen, you have them up close in the credits would be cool. Well, track which snacks they ate and ate most in calories. I should get a calorie score. You're right. Oh. Uh-oh. We were just talking about like being able to track what snacks somebody ate. There's definitely a way. I just don't know how.
Yeah, I mean, I guess like because if you kept saving up the static meshes, like those could really build up. So it could be like, I don't know. Like you could have a map of like static meshes, and then like you just keep an array of like the names of it. I don't know. That probably that's probably unnecessary like abstraction. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, I know that they're in an array anyway for spawn, right? It just picks a random like static mesh out of an array, so maybe it can keep track of just the index of what it grabbed, and then you can pull from that food array later.
Well, or the noodle cat itself could like have just an array of what it ate, and they could just be like a name or a string or something, and then you just like go through that to spawn the static meshes you want.
Yeah. No, that tracks. Oh, are you stuck, Father Time? Can you not go left or right? Please implement a snacks per minute score as to not disadvantage players who are late to the game. Oh, boom, no!
Yeah, you could have like multiple leaderboards for like different categories. like
kidding,
most
don't do that.
improved.
Love the idea of the game round having a favorite food, like favorite food among.
Well, the one that's been eaten the most, I'm guessing he's saying.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. No, that makes sense. That could be fun.
Yeah, you just have that. You have that will be a little bug up in the corner or something.
Yeah. You could definitely do that. Neat. All right. Well,
I love my little cat nugget.
it's still chugging. There it goes. Um. Yeah. I think Boom has Uzumaki'd. So I'm gonna cut it here. At 38 though, still very respectable score. I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna turn it off. Here we go. Goodbye. Goodbye, long snake cat. Okay. So, we were gonna bring in the cheese.
Bringing in the cheese,
The
they will
cheese.
come rejoice and bring in the cheese. Sorry,
What?
I was just thinking like a old church song, but instead of sheep, I put in cheese.
Nice.
I got the cheese, 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 cheese down in my heart, down in my heart.
That was my favorite part of going to church. The songs. Or the hymns or whatever. Because I haven't been in ages, but I was there. I had to go when I was a kid.
Oh yeah, I never had to go. I think I did go sometimes when I went to my friend's house or something on a Sunday, and I got kind of dragged along.
Yeah, that's happened to me too.
I had an ex that her mom went to one of those gigantic mega churches, and so I did have to go to one of those at one point.
That must have been an interesting experience.
Yeah, it's like weird, like prosperity gospel kind of stuff.
Are you open to feedback and suggestions about the game? Absolutely. Absolutely. Unless this is a setup for the "are you open to constructive criticism" joke, in which case, no.
I'm not familiar with that joke.
That's the one where they're like, you post something, like post art or something, and someone's like, "Are you open to constructive criticism?" And you're like, "Yeah, of course." And they're like, "This fucking sucks."
Oh,
You're
no.
like, "That wasn't constructive criticism."
That's destructive criticism. I
So
apologize if that car alarm is getting picked up on mic.
Oh, I don't hear anything. We're good. First idea would be
yeah, I
something
figured
like,
it wasn't being picked up, but
to remove collision after 30. Oh, yeah. We're actually looking to have them overlap, so hopefully that collision won't be too much of a problem going forward. Oh shit, I have to change those
I
textures
do
too.
kind of like there being some collision, but yeah, having like a fail-safe countdown for them like climbing over each other or something.
Maybe. Like they can bonk a couple times and then go over if they're able.
Yeah, I mean that would
That's what you mean.
require like yeah, that would require like play testing to see like what's the most fun. But
For sure, yeah. Agreed, though. Yeah. The traffic jams. That tracks. Jeez. Ooh, look at that, an engine. That looks nice.
yep. I'm rebuilding a lot of the stuff that the slimes can do in like a much more portable, like easy to organize way. And so far I've got them. They can do the birthday kazoo. They can find a gift and go open it. They can give a gift to another slime. They can go dance with another slime. You can change their name, change their color.
Ooh.
And I can highlight them. So slowly building it back up to where it was in
Nice.
a much less jank way, hopefully. The way I'm designing it should make it so that um, like slimes finish what they're currently doing before they do what they're told to by the redeems and stuff, so that you don't get like weird cameras fighting with each other and slimes not being able to find the slime they're gonna dance with. Just little jank things like that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's definitely not an enviable task trying to recreate all this stuff.
Yeah, it's like it's like I'm tutoring like 2 years ago me. Like
Yeah.
why did you do it this way?
Mm-hmm. No, I feel that. Ooh, let's see. Second idea would be something like magnet the food to the cat if you get within a tile distance from it, so you account for stream lag because we aren't all god gamers like Boom.
I kind of do like the idea of the food like lerping toward you, like even if like you are gonna run into it, like just because it might look kind of nice for it to zoom toward you when you're within a certain distance.
Mm-hmm. Interesting. Yeah, because yeah, right now you do just kind of collide with it. I'm wondering if like maybe it lerps in your direction and also like scales down. So like it actually kind of looks like it's being consumed. A little animation.
Yeah,
to
like
it.
you could have you could have like a second like sphere collider at the head, and like if it gets within that collider, yeah, you just like have it lerp to the mouth, and just like have it be a like easing over to, like it starts off slow and gets faster and then shrinks down and disappears.
No, I like that. That makes sense. Can you make it more difficult? We'll have a special advanced level for Boom.
Yeah, you have nightmare mode for Boom. And then hurt me plenty for Dead Sun.
Yeah. Okay, so we got that. I think all I have to do. Oh, I have to add
What if you make it? What if you make it a roguelike where it's like there's permadeath?
permadeath. Oh my
Like
god.
you can never play again if you lose.
Yeah, then you're banned.
You can't even chat anymore.
Yeah. You're. Hold on.
So I think because I think Twyworks can ban users, so like you could
Unban
automate that.
LMA permanently banned Twitch user. Let's fucking go. Reason? Bad gamer.
Gamer card taken away.
Hey, thank you for the follow, John Deere Enjoyer 38. It's a fun username.
Mm-hmm.
I've always liked their logo, the John Deere logo.
I do like driving tractors. Tractors are fun.
No, I've never driven a tractor.
Well, I guess what I drove was like halfway between a lawnmower and a tractor. I don't know what you would call it.
I see. Can't join twice, goober. Can't wait to lose my slime because Fruitsy bans all the slimes who don't make it top 3.
Yeah.
Survival of the fittest, something something.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the only slimes I've deleted are from like bots and I don't think I've had to delete a slime of anybody that was like yeah, I think I've only banned 2 people in the whole time that I've been streaming.
Mm.
And yeah, I don't remember if I deleted their slimes or not. Probably not.
Probably not. Oh, don't ban Skippy. I like Skippy.
But I don't want to punish a slime for the sins of the father, so. Or mother, or non-binary parent, what have you. But non-binary people are incapable of sin, so that I guess that one doesn't really.
Yeah, that
need to
tracks.
factor that one in.
You know, I heard that. Or is that only true during Pride Month?
I think it's year round.
Oh, gotcha, okay. Punish any slime that falls asleep 6 times in a single race.
But they don't have mitochondria. I think they do pretty well, I mean, considering.
That's true. They try their best, that's for sure.
There's only so much ATP that they can make on their own.
God, that flashed me back to biology class. I was not ready
Everything I
for
remember
the
about-
ATP drop.
The powerhouse of the cell.
Okay, let's see. Oh, we were gonna try this overlap. Okay. So I think each snake already has a check. Yeah, it has a check for self and other snake collision. Are you using Twyworks? I overheard something about that earlier. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Overall,
Yeah, I think
I'm
most
happy
of
with
the
it.
Unreal. I think most of the Unreal devs are using Twyworks. Dead Sun's using a proprietary thing called Tentacle, but it's kind of like a similar principle. I think Twitch also has its own API. I downloaded it because there was they were depreciating something that I thought Twyworks was relying on, but then it turned out that it had already been updated, so I didn't have to worry about it. But when I was scared about that, I was looking into the Twitch like SDK, so I downloaded that, and then I opened up the zip, and the plugin was last updated in December of 2023. So it was like, that's not a
my.
good sign.
Damn. What are you using Twyworks for? Well, everything in this, honestly. If you're interested in what we got going on here, I can show you what I'm using it for now. Let's play here. So we're trying to recreate Snake, basically. Yeah, there you go. If you exclamation point play in chat, it'll spawn you your own little snake. And then you can first letters of up, down, left, right to go up, down, left, or right. Stream delay is obviously a factor. So your inputs will be delayed, but some people have gotten really good at it, surprisingly. Speed boost. How about I make a command for speed boost that only works for you? And it permabans you from chat. But yeah, we kind of have it working where it keeps track of your score. We'll make it prettier, obviously, but back here are wall pieces that you'll collide with. Right now there's other snake collision, but we were just talking about changing that. I get a speed boost and I still come in last place, yeah. Actually, if you speed boost or exclamation point cheat, the food will lurk away from you. You'll be chasing it. Well, yeah, that's what we're using it for now, but it is implemented in current stream, which is why I look like Beaker and have a fez on. It's tied to redeems and stuff like that. Oh, and something weird happens with the textures when you get a food, or when you get a fruit, Lily, when you get a snack. Yeah, there you go. That little zigzag. That's the pro move right there. Oh, damn. Nice. Got that one. Oh, Boom's back. Ultra gamer. Oh my god.
Absolute game pro.
Oh, I see. You put in, I see. John Deere Enjoyer, you put in left and you're already going left. It is like global. Global left, right? Not like your local left or right. Screen left or right, I should say. Hi Lochno, how are you? Welcome in.
The royal left.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, eventually we'll have like instructions and shit on screen, so you know, we can actually get a better sense of what we're supposed to be doing. Because I have seen a couple people have that, oh, what's happening there? Boom getting stuck on nothing. That's weird. Traffic jam.
I'm very much enjoying this. Oh, and I've Ouroboros myself.
Nice. Hopefully you can still get out of it with a left or right. Okay, good.
Yeah, I think I can. It's just
Good. Okay. Yeah, I guess we're lucky in the sense that most people's stream delay is pretty consistent. So like
it seems like 4 seconds is a pretty consistent blink amount.
Got you. Yeah, because as long as you can predict what's gonna happen 4 seconds in the future.
What if we make it like Knights, where if you're able to like draw a circle around another noodle, they die?
Oh, nice. Check if you're surrounded on at least 3 sides. Boy. But yeah, that's what we're working on. I keep saying I'm doing dev stuff, and then I either do this for demonstration or for testing, and then people get into it, and then I don't want to stop it. Oh, you know what? Let me write down as well. BRB, absolutely, absolutely. We might be doing some dev stuff in the meantime. I promise we'll start and stop this. I also need to write down, change the min and max values.
Sit, stand, desk, transform.
Nice.
Form of down.
I like have a sit stand desk, but I don't use it as much as I should. Or I obviously sit at my desk. I don't stand at my desk as much as I should.
I think I stand like maybe a third of the time.
It's still way more than what I do.
Because I have a sit-stand desk at work too, so.
That's nice.
I don't really get any other exercise though, if standing can be considered exercise.
I mean, it's better than sitting all day. It is certainly better than that.
Fair.
What are you getting stuck on? I think it doesn't like Boom sometimes. Boom just like likes getting stuck on things.
Let's see, what feature should I do next? I think maybe changing Slime's voice.
Oh wait, no, you can get out of that. Just don't do it. Unless you want to get 2 foods and call it good. Don't do it. Ah. You done did it. me move out of the way. I need to go left. See, here's my problem. I get my lefts and rights confused, so...
You can make it really confusing and make the left and right like relative to the cat.
I will lose my mind. I would never be able to play.
It's like take controls.
You win if you get yourself stuck. I think if you actually, like, especially if we do overlapping and all that, if you truly are able to get yourself stuck, like, with overlapping, then I say you win. Because you broke my program.
That is the goal of a lot of other, like, dev streamers. You could, like, if you manage to, like, curl in on yourself, you can make, like, a black hole that, like, it becomes a hazard for the other cats.
Nice. And it sucks in all the food within, like, a 5-thing radius or something.
Mm-hmm.
And that's it. You go out with a bang. You just get those 5 extra points.
Yeah. It's like using self-destruct in Pokemon.
Yes.
So it's a gambit. We call that the Noodles Gambit.
The Noodles Gambit.
Hey, go get off the counter. What are you doing?
Oh god, hopefully you don't hear that. That's someone's fucking muffler out there. Or non-existent muffler. That's their car.
That's unmuffled. I didn't hear anything.
Okay, good. That's annoying. Oh, what happened here? I see. Wait, what? Oh. I see, we're stuck here, so... Machno, you might have to go... left, if you can. Yeah. That's just a little out of bounds. Can't wait for the cash shop when I get to buy skins and make my cat look like Fruitsy. Yeah, I was gonna say every 100, but that's really steep. Every 100 foods you get, or snacks you get, is 1 noodle buck.
you can teach them how to, like, floss or something.
Yeah, you're definitely off screen. Yeah, you're both off screen. I have to adjust those values. I'm actually gonna stop this and adjust those values because that's very wrong.
My cat is putting his entire head inside one of my boots.
Nice. Alright, here we go. Alright, Fruitsy, you won that round with 18 points. I'm gonna change those min and max values and hopefully that's fine. That would be...
I hope someday we get to visit that farm that has all of our cats on it.
Oh, it's still 16 by 9. Oh, that makes sense. It's almost 0.2 noodle bucks. That's 20 noodle cents.
You have to have different, like, tiers of noodle bucks. You've got the ones that you can earn in game, and the ones that you have to buy in the noodle store.
Oh yeah, you got like noodle.
The diamond noodle.
Shit. Yeah. So I guess we'll do. Hold on. Let's see how big our grid is here. Let's just put in a wall block and put it in the corner here. Winter event noodle buck expires in 2 weeks. That's at 95 and 25. So I guess it's like 100. Well, wait, hold on. Min. Hold on. I'm getting lost here. No, not my code. That's mine.
It's my Piscetti now.
No! Not the Piscetti. Okay, so...
Never really played around with like sound attenuation. In Unreal, I always just have everything play sound 2D, but
Oh.
like the Omochow's helicopter sound effect is like it does get louder when it's closer to the camera. I think I might start implementing that more. Because it is weird when a slime casts a spell in the baby jail, but you can hear it like during the race when we're like a mile away.
Oh, yeah, that'd be interesting.
I just don't know how like intensive like sound attenuation is. If anybody in chat that's familiar with like optimization, like is like sound attenuation like hard on the hardware? Or... I'm guessing it isn't, but
Maybe we'll put it out here. We'll do... I don't think that math quite works, though. Where on the map is the teleportation point? I feel like it's... That's a boom question, because I don't know things. You mean...
yeah, because I'm gonna have like, if I want the slimes' voices to have attenuation, there's gonna be a lot of slimes like on screen. So I don't know if that would. I mean, I'm guessing it's really just like changing the amplitude of the sound based on its distance to the camera, because it's probably not that complicated of a calculation. It's just like doing a vector to where the player character is.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't know much about it. It doesn't sound like it would be too intensive. Hopefully. Although, they do make a lot of noise. Like, that would be called pretty frequently.
Yeah. One other thing I want to do is that when I make the second channel where they're just like on an island, I want them to I want to have like the beach, like water, make a noise if the camera is close enough to it. So I'm wondering like how you do sound attenuation on like an area, or like if you get close to a river, like how do you make it so that the sound gets louder along the entire like shape of the river, not just like a sphere at a couple of points or something like that. But I think the way that you do that, from what I was reading, is that you make the player character itself make the noise, and so that way it's just a matter of its proximity to the type of terrain or something like that. So that you don't need to have like a river shaped like emitter, you can just have it be controlled by where the player character is.
Mm-hmm. Did I already do this?
Where's Detzel with his wealth of knowledge? I think he took his earnings from the mini game and is vacationing in Aruba or something.
Nice. Okay, so I did do that. Well, welcome back. Just gonna try something here with the camera. I'm wondering how... Maybe not. Maybe I won't do that. We'll see.
Let's see, what is concurrency settings? Is that like what sounds have priority over each other? Let's see. Sound concurrency. Yeah, playing too many sounds at the same time can result in high resource consumption. I see. Boy, that's something I'm gonna want to look into, I bet. Okay, this doesn't look too hard. It's basically just like putting a cap on like how many sounds can play at the same time and like what to let go through and what not to let go through if it reaches that or stuff like that. Yeah, since the slimes are all saying ahoy and casting spells and shit, I might want to look into that. Oh yeah, Deadson, were you around for the when I was asking about the sound attenuation, like how like if I had all the slimes like voices be like have attenuation, like would that be super like hardware intensive? I'm guessing it's not, but since there's so many things going on. Oh, Deadson's asking if he can join the call.
Oh, yeah. We can just do some things. Sound center play save time. Yeah, that's fair. Yeah, let me do one more thing here.
Deadson's supposed to know everything about everything.
Yeah, you're right. I've been lied to. Do you want to move over to a voice chat instead?
Oh yeah, we would have to be in a different channel, huh? Okay, we can hop over to yeah, how should we do it?
I mean, I guess we can do yours or well, I guess I don't know. It's whichever server we want to do it in.
I think we could just probably add him to the call, right? Like,
Yeah, we can do that too, yeah. I don't know how, but I can figure it out.
Yeah, let me... Oh, here we go. There's a little add friends.
Hello.
Hi, how's it going?
Welcome in.
Where'd Fruitsy go? Oh, is it just the little screen?
I'm here. Yeah.
Yeah.
That sounds very loud on my end. Let me see if
I can modify mine. Just tell me when we're good.
Yeah, here, let me just put you at a good volume. Or I mean back to 100.
Is that good? How do I sound?
That's loud on my end, but
Yeah,
right, I'll modify it. There we go.
Okay.
There we go. That's about 80%, and I probably won't peak.
yeah, you're not peeking. I can just I think my Discord might just be a little funky, but that's fine.
I'm gonna get my freaking bot recently charged.
All right, hopefully that's good. I can hear you fine now.
Excellent, excellent. All right. Yeah, so I was gonna say about NVIDIA Broadcast is the new one, like Studio Voice, is supposed to be for the 5080 and better. So you're not supposed to use that unless you're using like the top of the line cards.
Oh.
Yeah, I've only been using the noise reduction, so that's the only one I have checked.
Yeah.
But I don't know if like the new update is using a lot more resources even just on that.
So if you go to the NVIDIA Broadcast and you go to audio, or wait, no, settings, there is a check mark there. It's the second one down. This is enable GPU utilization indication. And that will show you how much of the GPU it's using at any given time.
Okay. Looks like a lot.
Yeah, yeah. If you're using Studio Voice, it's definitely using a lot.
I'm not. I'm just using the noise removal. I don't know if this little progress bar is my entire GPU or just what is allotted to this program or whatever.
I'm being made super small.
you're becoming even smaller than my hat.
I'm too small.
Oh my gosh. I can't even see. I only barely see the hat there.
I'm here, I promise. So where's our wraparound? Oh, there it is. Okay. Just messing with my values here. Oop. Shit. Okay, that was wrong.
I'm using WinDirt stat to look through things, and it looks like the majority of my computer is pack files. So
Is what files?
pretty crazy. Pack files for like Unreal.
Oh,
So
I see.
yeah, so like Sea of Thieves is like 115 gigabytes.
Oh my god.
I know, it's huge.
That's like how
And
much they install is.
Yeah. Well, the thing about it is, it doesn't actually seem like there's that much content in. Like, I feel like I could make that whole game for less than 30 gigabytes. Like, I could probably do it for less than 10 gigabytes and have almost exactly the same game. Like, I don't know what people are doing. I really don't get it.
Get it together, Rare.
A lot of like AAA's just like put in like full in like FLAC files into their final product, which is ridiculous. You know, like uncompressed, like crazy stuff. Now, are you playing locally, Noodle?
Oh, controlling that locally? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's also bound to arrow
Yeah.
keys for me.
I think a 8-player local would be hilarious.
8-player local. Just like control or like connect all of the controllers.
Well, I mean, you could package this for package this for pretty much anything really,
Mhm.
for like the Switch or Game or not GameCube. What am I saying? Or like Xbox.
We're going way back.
No, because like Xbox and GameCube are like the same thing. Like if you think about it, Xbox and then GameCube, like they're pretty much the same name. Like,
What are you talking about? The Xbox is a box of X's, and the GameCube is a cube of games.
Cube of games. Games cubed.
yeah.
That's my favorite YouTube channel is Cube of Games.
I believe it. I believe it.
I'm
I'm
definitely
gonna
gonna have to
share-
look into this concurrency settings thing.
Mm.
I'm gonna share my bonk hammer with Slime here.
Nice.
So,
Are you sure? Are you sure he's ready to take up the bog hammer?
Well, he better be. It's a heavy responsibility.
Absolutely. I just want you to get this pizza real quick. There you go. Nice. And then I want to try something. Then I want to try something stupid. Oh, Slime is here. Hello. How are you?
Hi, Slime.
It's heavier than Milner. It is. That's why it hurts so much, you know.
There should be more streamers willing to hurt themselves for entertainment like Dead Son.
Make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh. I like how the beaker hair is just like creating like like a Thanksgiving festive hat.
It's perfect. I
It's
don't
just
know
like
what
a
you're talking
cornfield.
about.
Your harvest hat.
My harvest hat, yes. The harvest is bountiful this season.
Yeah. Most people don't know about this, but like the dichotomy paradox, you know, of Zeno's paradox, it's like that's what powers the bonk hammer. So just be warned, you know. Why it hurts so much.
Do you utilize hammer space?
It utilizes hammer space. Yeah. I had to explain to my wife what hammer space was, and I'm like, "What are you talking about? All women have hammer space." They're always pulling.
I thought it was just anime women.
No, my wife definitely has hammer space. We'll be like anywhere, and she'll be like, "Oh, I have that." And just pulls it out of her backpack.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm like
I
that,
always
but
thought
with
it
like
was tied to emotional conditions.
I don't know, because I have that with like knives and like cables. Like I have a backpack that just has everything I need in it. You know, always has snacks in there too.
I can make post-its and rubber bands that I don't remember buying manifest.
I used to have like just random change all over my bedroom floor, like on the carpet. It would just like be there. I don't know where it came from. It would be like several dollars. It'd be like several dollars and change, and I don't ever remember like putting it there, but it would always be there. And I would like take giant, you know, the big Gatorade containers, like the gallon ones. I would take the gallon Gatorade containers and just fill it with quarters, and I'd be like, where the hell are these coming from?
That's concerned about what you might be doing while you're asleep. You said like some weird lycanthrope that's that's getting quarters and Gatorade.
Nice.
Well, it stopped about the time I had my kids, so either they're collecting the quarters or like something else is even insaner is happening.
It was time for me to shape up and stop my quarter collecting ways.
No, now it's like random currency on the floor, like a couple of dollars or something, which is really nice when I need to like go out to the store and I just like, oh, I just need a couple of bucks. I just like look around on the ground, find it. One of my kids the other day found like a $20 bill. And I'm like, nah, I think that one's mine this time. He's like, finders keepers. And I'm like, do you want to eat tonight? He's like, yes, Dad. It might be kind of cool to have the heat extension where you, I mean, I don't know if it would. Oh, you can't just you can't find out who's clicking on what, right?
Yeah, I think that's the thing with it. Yeah.
Yeah, if they like opt into it, like you can, but otherwise
Mhm.
it's just garbage.
Yeah, it's just like whoever clicks on whatever.
Yeah, and if like if one person doesn't do it, then nobody does it. It's kind of how I treat it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's
I think-
Freedom Studio. Hello.
If we them.
I think for mine, it's still gonna have to be an opt-in. I think I can still get that information without that, like no problem. But I think I just want to make it like so that everybody knows that I'm not just gonna like take their data and run. You know?
Even though you totally are.
I know
You don't want
I
people
totally
You don't want
could.
people to think that.
No, I totally could, but like I'm not going to. That's the difference. Having the ability to do something doesn't mean like you're not good for not being able to do bad things. You're good for being able to do bad things and not doing them. You know?
You can be good without being able to do bad things. You're making it sound like it's a requirement to be able to do bad things first.
No, like no, because you just are. You're not good or bad if you can't do it. You just are. Like, it's ontological, you know.
It sounds like some post-tribulation stuff.
You're gonna find out, Fruitsy. You're gonna find out. I'll be
Does that
sitting over. I'm gonna be just sitting over on the right hand, and you're gonna be like, God, I should have listened to him.
That sounds the
Dang.
arbiter of the rapture.
I didn't say that. I am definitely.
He plays the
don't even-
trumpets.
I can't play trumpet. I mean, like anybody can play a trumpet, but not me.
That's why the apocalypse hasn't happened, because you didn't learn how to play trumpet.
I can show
You're
you.
telling me if I mean I've played trumpet, like, but I'm just like I'm not like necessarily good at it. I mean, I just have to blow it 7 times, right?
We'll think. No, you have to open the 7 seals, and then I think just like a trumpet signals that happen. I forget the order of operations.
Look, I'll figure it out.
It's been a while since Revelations happened. I don't know.
The thing is, I can do it in any order I want, right? And then it'll just. If I do it in any order I want, then it'll just work.
But you gotta uphold tradition.
No, well, I mean, I can just like min-max it. You know what I'm saying?
You gotta like try to batch process the apocalypse.
Look, I can brute force it. Like I can just do it in every order I can figure it out. Like when I like figured out that Fez puzzle. Like, you know.
Fez puzzle.
Yeah, the game Fez had like this puzzle that like basically me and a whole bunch of people on the internet got together and we just like brute forced every input we could possibly do until we solved the puzzle.
Nice.
And,
Yeah,
like,
wasn't like nobody able to find like what the intended like solution or the intended way of finding it
Well,
was.
no, there wasn't. It wasn't in the game. It wasn't in the game. There was no way to figure it out. You know, most other ones would have like a little indication somewhere, or like a cipher somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
But not this. I really hope that the spikes work really well for this.
Yeah, I'm excited for that.
Oh, did you need a little 5-pointed star, Noodle? For the impacts?
Oh yeah, sure. We can. I mean, I was thinking 2D, but I guess 3D.
Yeah,
would make sense.
yeah. Well, I mean, like Fruitsy has their emote. If they want to like submit that, that might be fun.
Oh, the little star.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can send that PNG into.
No, I'm not volunteering your work, but like I'm just saying, like it would be really nice. You know?
It's just a star. Some
Yeah, you
squiggles
say
in
that. You know what? All right, I am volunteering your work.
it. Okay, let me find it.
Wait a second, I gotta take my shoes off. Oh, gosh.
We're really neck and neck here. I'm leaving it running because it's so close. Oh, pro gamer in chat. Here we go.
If it's like tennis and you have to be above by 2 or whatever.
Is that how tennis works? I have no idea how tennis works.
I think that's how you win tennis, right? You have to be like at a count or above by 2.
Oh.
I mean,
That's
my
how
mom
I always
played
played
a lot
it.
of tennis. I could ask her.
Yeah. I mean, we have the internet right here.
Yeah, but that's like in another tab. I'm not gonna like trek over to that tab. I'm on my left monitor. I'm not dragging my lazy ass cursor all
Yeah,
the way
okay,
to
I
the
get it.
monitor.
Okay. Yeah. To win the game of right, from Deuce, right? A player must win 2 consecutive points. So yes. You have to be in front of by 2. So you like love 15, love 30, love 40, but you have to be by Deuce, right? So like you have to be above by 2. Yeah. I knew what I was thinking was in the game. If it's one thing I know, it's game rules and
my
nothing
God.
else.
Yeah, Boom keeps getting stuck. That's so funny.
Be nice or I'll jump in the game.
Dead Sun will demolish everybody.
What needs to happen is if you go head to head and you have a longer snake, you just literally devour them. Like, and you add them to your length.
That'd be crazy. Your points
Yeah,
are
those
mine
stars
now.
are freaking great. I love those stars.
Nice.
Fruitsy, in the future, if you're sharing an image, like, what do you guys think about this? Like instead of like having it like .png or whatever it is, like put an I after the G so like it doesn't come in through as an image, and then just remove the I on the other side so it doesn't do this weird compression stuff and it doesn't convert to like a WebM or whatever. That's what I've been doing recently.
It's still letting me save it as a PNG. I think this is just the raw file. Just one of the ones I sent you was pretty small, so that's why it's the preview's blurry.
Like, how do you actually get the PNG from it? You go to save image as, and then like it goes to like WebP. Or do you just
no, I left click on it, save image, and yeah, it's stardoodle.png. I don't know if maybe the person that uploaded it has a priority to do that.
I don't know. I've only been able to download them as well, like WebPs, and then I have to rename them. So what I normally do is I just send it as like a PNG, and then like with a random letter after that, and then
so it just treats it as a file upload.
Yeah. Instead of having it converted to some random crap. Yeah, Noodle, I'm really impressed with your work here. This is looking really good.
I just need to make it look like I need to start polishing it a little bit. I need to not have this
The
this little texture on it.
The final scope creep is going to be like having like them have accessories.
Yes.
And
custom noodles.
also, you know what I think might be interesting, and this is like kind of like another scope creep thing, is you see like when they eat a food, it'd be hilarious if they don't grow at that exact moment, but what would happen is like as that food goes through their body, that area it just gets bigger, so you'd use like an offset, like a texture offset for the vertex, and like it would be like a bulge, and then when it gets down to the bottom, it just grows the end of it.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
That could be fun.
Yeah, that side clipping is a real interesting case, like where they're like parallel to each other.
Well, I think
Just happened to boom.
yeah, I keep looking at Boom's thing because they do the very quick like right up or down right or something like that. I think it's that's
what
very quick input. Yeah.
I do that too, and it's
Yeah, I was doing some of that.
what is you know what might be nice to do that, but like during one command might be fun. So like you would do like L5 or like you know like in 5 spots do that, or like
Mm.
you know
Mm.
Yeah, you like batch it or whatever.
or like what is like you have like Q would be like a like up and left or something.
Mm.
I don't know how to something like that, you know.
Can I
Like,
do like a
Z
quick
would
turn
be-
like that?
Yeah. Or like if you're doing up and right, it'd be UR and then or like you know what I'm saying?
Mm.
And then it would just pop up. And they might be nice.
Yeah.
Just to give it a little bit more accuracy. Yeah. And then imagine if we had like AI snakes, like CPU snakes that were like actual snakes instead of noodle cats.
What if we had Solid Snake?
That would be hilarious.
It makes a little clapping noise as he whizzes by.
I need to make a little ration box. So it's like
Oh,
as a
or like a
snack.
calorie mate. Or
Like a calorie mate. Yeah.
Pretty tasty.
Pretty tasty.
I noticed whenever he ate the Japanese like jug food, he's like, "This is amazing." There's a little bit of nationalism in there.
Yeah. Wow, these instant noodles, they're from the future. I can't believe this.
I love this food from glorious Nihon.
Yeah. Nihongo is superior.
Let's see, who are we getting stuck on? Stuck on somebody's butt.
Whose butt is it? Oh, you know what? It's
Can't tell whose butt that is.
Oh, this
yeah,
is
it's
T for
that,
T.
it's no, it's Boom's. It's Boom's butt. It's Boom's
Wait,
butt.
no, that's Boom's butt.
I don't like this.
No, that's Boom's butt. They're all eating butt. They're
I feel
all
like
eating
we're
butt.
we're invading their privacy. I feel like we should.
This is why we need border walls every once in a while.
That's why we need like a curtain.
Curtain. Oh,
Noodle, what
free.
do you think about having like little nub feet and nub feet for the first and second to last pieces?
I like the idea.
like-
I am scared of implementation.
Okay. Yeah.
I think
Oh,
like
yeah.
the end piece wouldn't be too hard because like that would be more on brand for Noodle too.
Hmm.
Yeah. I mean, just like the end piece would be like just like you'd add some legs to the bottom of the like just like two
Yeah.
little nubs on the
Oh,
end.
okay, yeah.
And then like
Could do that.
and then for the second piece underneath the head, like piece 1 or 0 or however you're doing it would just be that the legs. So that way, when they start out as a noodle bean or whatever, they would actually be a cat, just a regular cat.
Hmm.
And then like a I'm just imagining it like a reverse tadpole where just
Yeah,
like the
or-
legs get sucked in as
Cronenberg.
they ascend.
They Cronenberg each other. Yeah. Yeah. So were you thinking of having like a solid background or like a sky background, or what were you thinking, Noodle?
I'm not sure. Right?
What
'cause
is thy
we have
bidding?
We have the dirt and grass pieces for like the outside, right? Like
Yeah.
what do we already have? Got the
I
pipes.
feel like the grid does help. Maybe it could be like a Sonic the Hedgehog-esque like grass pattern where there's like a subtle checkerboard pattern in it or something.
Oh, yeah,
Oh,
do I
maybe.
Have a level? I do. Hmm. I like the checkerboard. It helps you count. Yeah, we have the. I think the idea would also be to Oh, I see. Like a checkerboard. Like keep the grid in the background. Hmm. I think that would make sense. I guess the sky makes sense? Oh, ads. Oh no! Sorry.
Because I could make some like just really simple like pieces of like parallax art,
Mhm.
you know?
Yeah.
I sent an example in the Discord of kind of what I was talking about in case Noodle isn't familiar with like the
Oh, from the
scanning.
Smash Brothers specifically. Yeah.
Oh no, I was just trying to get across the idea of like the checkerboard like
Oh.
terrain.
Yeah, it looks like a mowed lawn almost.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh, hi, Morse. We're on ads, so
Morris, hello.
the people who have to watch ads have a disadvantage here.
Well, it might be something that you would play during ads so
Yeah.
that people wouldn't be missing whatever content you're making. Oh, it's about to happen. Someone's about to get trapped. Oh, it's gonna.
Ooh.
Oh, dang it.
I don't know
Yeah,
if you're
Dead
here,
Sun's here
but
too.
I was kind of talking about like if you can envelop another noodle, they get taken out of the game or something, like knights
Yeah,
or
that
some
would be
shit.
fun. Yeah, that's me, Morris. How's it going?
Hey, it's me, Deadson Prime. Hello, Morse.
Yeah. Thanks, Fruitsy.
Uh-oh, got a fart.
I recognize voices.
Yeah.
Oh, a 7-second
don't-
delay?
I-
Damn.
Mine's only like 4.
Here, check this out. Time.
Time?
Oh, no. I say time, and then they know the count, like lightning. You know.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Banana.
But
No, that should give them. Oh, you're in Australia. We have friends in
Oh.
Australia.
we have friends in the Upside Down.
Yeah. We know a
What are we
Australian.
stuck on? What are we stuck?
I think Slime's is Slime from New Zealand?
Yeah.
Oh gosh, somebody has to go up.
I-
There we go.
Aussie adjacent. I mean, I guess New Zealand is part of what the hell
Subcontinent,
is it
yeah.
called? What is the what is that called? There's a term for it. Oceania? Is that what it is? Oceania?
I know what you're trying to say. I don't know how to pronounce it, and I don't know how it's spelled.
Yeah, so Zealandia is actually the submerged continent that it's a part of. It's also known
I thought
as
it wa-
like Ru Amai, something like that. There's like 5 different names for it. Here, let me put that in chat.
what about the Kingdom of Mu?
No,
I think that's
Fruitsy. Why
supposed
do
to
you
be
always
like
go with the
Southeast.
conspiracy theories?
Well, I think that's supposed to be Southeast Asia, maybe. Or like Indonesia.
Oh, like, yeah. All right, 1 second.
Yeah, Boom's a pro gamer.
Mm-hmm. Absolute game pro.
Welcome in, Morse. You spawned at a horrible location, it seems. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to play Repo tonight, with like mocap.
Ooh.
So, I don't know if you guys have seen that game, but it might be pretty cool. I was watching Millymon play it yesterday, and it looked pretty freaking funny. Although
I've heard the
everything
name
Millymon
before,
does,
but-
yeah, everything Millymon does is hilarious. So, I don't know what the hell's going on.
So every custom event and function that I've used the word received in so far has been spelled wrong, I'm realizing. But I'm wondering if I should just keep spelling it wrong for consistency. I keep putting I before E.
Wow, I just had a problem where I was typing to someone, and I accidentally typed what I was speaking instead of like what I was thinking.
Nice. Happens to me a lot.
It makes me feel like there's a piece of me dying. Because I used to be able to keep up like 5 conversations at a time, you know. Um,
I mean, you're 14 and a half billion years old at this point.
14.8. I'm way over a half. Okay, like
I was
what
I
the
was trying
what the
to
fuck,
I was
Fruitsy?
trying to I was trying to put a positive spin
Don't
on it.
age.
I was
Don't
I was
age
I was
shame
rounding
me.
down.
Oh, why not? Why not?
Uh-oh.
It's a train.
We're stuck. Oh,
Oh wow.
no!
Boom is really tucking in there.
Oh no!
Oh, I don't know if there's. I think this is impossible.
Sad days.
You know what? It's not impossible. I just hit this button, then I can win.
Now Dead Sun's gonna win. He did it on purpose. Sad days.
Down, down, down. Eat everything. Left button. Click. Press up.
At the beginning of the game, you could have like a little goblin with a sack, holding a sack, like come out in the screen,
Like-
and then he gets hit, and all the food flies out like golden axe or some shit.
Yeah, golden axe. I thought you were talking about the golden axe little goblins or the little elves or whatever, gnomes or whatever that are stealing your crap. Well, I guess Boom did beat my high score.
No, not yet.
Oh, Boom's trapped. There's no way
Yeah.
out.
No way out. Came close though. Here, wait. I'm also
No.
gonna put on my list like a respawn. In case you get truly stuck, it'll just destroy the actor and spawn you in again. Like a command for that.
Oh, that dude is so long. I'm gonna try to trap him.
Sabotage.
Oh no! No!
Sad days.
Give me
Oh,
a
wait,
second.
no,
Give me a
you're
second. I got this. I got this.
Hey, you're
I'll get
good.
us out. I'll get us out. Trying to encumulate me. I'll show you. Yeah. This is what you get. Nom, 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 nom.
Yeah, I should actually start like building out some levels for these. So that's like maybe we can start like the first one can just be open, but then I can start
Yeah,
adding
yeah,
those like
they
wall
just get-
cubes in there.
You did a Nintendo route where it's like you give them a safe, non-hazard environment, and then you add a complication, and then you iterate on it.
Yeah.
Watch this. Near, get ready, Morris. Bam.
You gonna take that kind of disrespect, Morris?
What choice do they have? There, I've just. Wait, oh, look.
You gonna put up with
Come
being
on.
noodle blocked like that, Morris?
Come on, I'm not changing my direction. I'm not changing my direction. I'm gonna wait for. Oh yeah, go down and eat that cookie. Do it. Come on, bro. Come on, you need that cookie, right? Come on. Come on. God, Boris, you monster! He ate the cookies I was like trying to go for. Foods. Okay, I got this one then. Okay, yeah.
I should have people playing the snake game in chat more often, I think.
Okay. Huh? This is what you get.
Yeah, I think next thing I should do is a respawn command. I do feel like that should be helpful for people who get stuck and might want to join back in. To have a transparent background and have chat play it over you. In theory, the original idea was to have this replace my starting soon or like be right back screen. So like if I'm just like down for the count for whatever reason, or if I have to do something, like chat can play while I'm not here, you know? Game of the year. Hi Kamau, how are you? That was the original idea, but yeah.
Yeah, I forgot to tell you that if this becomes Game of the Year, you owe me $50 billion or whatever.
Like, oh, that's right. 51% of profits.
51? Oh my gosh, that would be such a... That'd be... No, you'd owe me like 3% of profits. How about that?
I could work with that.
Yeah.
I'm ready to buy this on Steam.
Yeah, I really like this. I think once you have the over/under stuff going, this is going to be pretty fun.
Yeah, you know, that's what I need to figure out.
I mean, it's fun right now. But...
Yeah, it's already very fun.
We got a couple things we need to tweak, and then I think it's just style points on top of that, right? I think the core is pretty good, but ooh.
Yeah, some flavor.
Get some meat on them bones. That's what we were saying earlier, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think just having a few effects that go on at the...
Ooh.
Let's go down.
A
few effects, and this is gonna really...
Oh, I see. You're getting blocked by a couple things down here. Oh, it's so annoying that you can
No,
go down
I was trying to... No, I was trying to get them to do that so they would be trapped.
Oh, I see.
Do a quick turnaround. Oh. It's not taking my right command.
No? Well, were you already going right?
I did that time.
Oh, okay.
No, well, I was going down.
Oh, gotcha, okay. I need to tweak this turn piece. It has inverted UVs. But otherwise, I think everything is snaking well. Like, that one works, but this turn doesn't.
I'm trying to get this cheeseburger for like a minute.
Yeah. Nice.
I love that the wrapping's going well.
I think there's a little bit of pop-in, like here and there, but...
I like it. I still think it's fine. I think... One,
cool.
2, 3.
See, we're making our own stage obstacles a little bit. I'm learning the pro strats since we have Dead Sun on voice chat. I didn't realize how intense this got.
6, 9. You.
Might be okay to just let you see them cutting off through a portal or something, so it's not confusing where you're hidden on an edge. Okay. Yeah, I definitely would like to avoid that because I think that's where my snake is. Like, you see this little red thing? I think that's me. So yeah, we gotta work on the wrap around just a little bit, but... Add a power up for subscribers, no clip.
Oh my gosh, that'd be so bad.
That'd be so bad. Pay to win.
You gotta have a secret command. It's like big head mode.
Big head mode, yes. Then anything your head
wouldn't that,
with.
Yeah, wouldn't that like make it so you take up 2 spaces or something?
That would be kind
Oh,
of
I
funny
thought
though.
I figured it would just be like a visual thing, but yeah.
Oh,
Or you can unlock odd job or some shit.
I had to do this. It was I had to
It had to be
Lock 'em in.
done.
food magnet power up. Channel point power ups would be crazy.
Come on. Right and then up. Why is it not accepting my right? Oh no. We done it, guys. Oh, Morris, you just saved us. You saved us both. I'm trying to trap us now.
Have we seen a cheese or a donut yet? I haven't seen it load in.
No, I don't think they're in right now.
Huh.
Yeah, maybe is there like an array you didn't add them to or something?
Yeah, maybe I didn't actually add them to the array. I know I was in the array, but that doesn't mean I did it.
There we go. 2, 1, and down. Didn't accept my down. What the heck?
There's a down.
Oh, okay.
Time
Time machine.
I wonder if it would be helpful too, because I don't usually show chat on screen, but I'm wondering if it would be helpful to show chat on screen so that you know when your input was like accepted on my end.
Yeah.
Right, so that you know like if it's just not fucking working.
Yeah, so you get a visual of
Right.
what your reaction time is.
Mm-hmm. I'm wondering if
Yeah,
that
it's a
could be
good idea.
helpful. Write it down.
It would be more work, but you could also like translate that raw information into like a widget so that it's like not all chat is like written on the screen.
Yeah.
Like it might just show their name and then like an arrow icon depending on like an enum or whatever it is.
Oh shit, we're done. It's over, guys.
Is that it?
Yeah, trapped.
Oh,
Look.
not quite.
How? So how is that? How is he like? So he's basically just trapped on himself.
Yeah. Wouldn't it be pretty quick between when you receive it when your cat turns though? I imagine most of the lag is in getting from the viewer to you, not between you and the No. Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, because what am I trying
Twyworks
to say?
sends out the signal like pretty much instantly.
Yeah. But like you type in chat and you press enter, right? And then you can like count how many seconds until your chat shows up on my screen and then the cat turns, right? If your chat shows up on screen and your cat does not turn, then my game is broken and we can let me know. Sort of deal, right?
Because you kind of have to like double the lag because there's a matter of like, well, maybe not. Never mind. I think my math was wrong there. But yeah, like maybe seeing their name and then like an arrow icon like up in the corner would be helpful, maybe.
Yeah.
Down.
And you can just
Now
like, and you could just like switch which arrow image is shown based on like whatever the information that's driving the noodle's direction is.
It's getting intense. It is getting intense.
We're tied for second over here. Just crazy.
Fruitsy's turn.
You spawned in, dead son.
Oh, isn't that just the way?
Yeah, that's how I imagine this ending.
Yeah, we definitely
What
need
is
that
going
overlap
on?
for sure.
No, Fruitsy, you killed us both, you monster.
I am history's
think it-
greatest monster.
I think it needs to be behind. It needs to be behind whatever game plane we're on.
What does?
The chat.
Oh, okay.
So it doesn't. Yeah.
Well, yeah, maybe
Oh,
I'll draw something up
I-
though. God, sorry.
Oh, I'm just trying not to get trapped here. And
I think we might be. Oh wait, no, we're good.
no,
I
no,
think
we're,
I'm
I'm
stuck.
good. I'm good.
Are you like truly stuck?
Yeah, it doesn't seem to be responding to me anymore.
Oh damn, because it's probably thinking that you're here too. Boo. Okay, I gotta get that respawn in. Cause then you get another chance.
Morris, I can't believe you turn on me like this. You know, this game brings out the worst in everybody. It's irresponsible for you to release this.
You lose friends with this one.
Did I just kill myself?
Can you not go down?
History.
I'll just give it a second.
It'd be history's greatest
go.
monster after the guy that made Balatro.
Yeah, that guy destroyed my free time.
Yeah, that guy.
I bet whenever that came out on mobile, like I would like to get like the economic like productivity like numbers. I bet there was a downward spike
Oh yeah.
because I know I definitely worked less efficiently that day.
Mm-hmm.
My lunch break was a little longer than usual.
Absolutely.
Down
Oh my
and
gosh,
then
there's
right.
so much. Oh yeah, it definitely thinks that you're still here, which is not correct. Well, I guess maybe it's still mid-turn, so it's like trying to do that interpolate where you're still kind of technically here. Oy.
Oh, John Deere enjoyers, thank you
Oh
for
no,
following.
Morse!
I just
Oh,
noticed your message.
no! Morse, you got one last piece of bread, and that's all you got. You have met the same fate as everybody else.
Then down. Then left.
Just hold it somewhere
No.
more food spawns there. Oh, you did just get another pizza. Well,
Oh
there you
no!
go.
You killed us both! I'm gonna eat that banana, and then you're gonna be sorry.
Then collect it once it's full. That tracks. That's the pro strat right there. Dead Son, I'm sure you just want to beat your high score here. The high score. Oh yeah, it looks like you're hitting me. Maybe I'll make a debug.
Oh, I got a plan. I got a plan.
Okay.
I need to press right and then up.
There needs to be like a ghost fruit that lets you like phase through other noodles or something.
The Big Lee, hello!
Down and then right.
Hi there, Bigley.
Welcome in.
You were in my chat while I was
Down.
testing stuff. You almost made a debug slime.
So it looks like Dead Son's last one standing here.
Yeah, well, I'm working on it.
Working on it. This is helpful though. I also have to check what that last index is. Like maybe I'll have it ignore last
Ow.
index. I don't know.
Should I do it, guys? I'm technically, I can protect myself. You know what?
So Fritzy's actually stuck. Looks like. Yeah. Well, here's the thing, right? So.
Oh,
That's
I've
why
done
I'm-
it, guys. Wait. I just have to go up, and then I saved it all. Here we go. I tied my high score, guys.
Nice.
That's
That's all we needed.
There we go.
Oh, hi Rusty. How are you? Look at the,
Oh, hi,
the
Rusty.
nonsense we made. Writhing
I
mass,
have
indeed.
I have Ouroboros borized.
Oh, I think you're like truly
You
stuck.
borsted.
That's also what I have to do. I have to check when we're spawning in a snake to make sure it's not on anybody.
Oh, okay. I gotta go. I gotta get ready for my stream. I'll let you go. Thank you so much for talking, and we will talk soon. Okay. I love you guys.
Thanks for being here.
Yeah. Godspeed.
Boy.
Yeah, bye. I love those.
Rat King complete. All right. Before you get too far, Salem Hazel, I'm gonna quit here, and I'm going to add a respawn.
Look at that. Look at that noodle ball. Just look back at the screen.
No, it's a disaster. It's a mess.
Oh,
But
it
yeah,
looks like my level blueprint.
The spaghetti.
Just like chicken everywhere.
All right, I'm gonna stop it. And what we're gonna do, this game also doubles as a good ADHD trap. I can't look away. I know, I'm getting stuck in it. I'm going to add that respawn command. Whoops. Let's create another Twitch command. No? Won't let me? There we go. It wouldn't let me copy and paste.
We got slime voices working.
Nice.
The way I'm building this is it's nice because it doesn't. It's all kind of modular, so like it took a long time to set up like the first thing, but I started with giving another slime a present, which is like the most complicated thing in terms of programming the slimes can do. But then the rest of them are kind of just simplified. Like I just do less steps along the sequence that I needed to do that one.
Nice. Work smarter, not harder, sort of deal.
Can your slime ever reach the bat voice? Okay,
so we got the sender.
I can give them a Knuckles voice. Like I can make them say, "Oh no."
Oh no. So if the sender is in the player array, then I think what we gotta do is get their snake, right? How do I get their snake?
How do I get that snake?
How do I get that snake? Yeah, so find the sender and then get. Oh no, I don't have to get it from here. I need to get it from snake array. Nope. Right, so get their snake. Then we need to destroy actor. And then we have to do a couple things. We have to remove them from... No, we keep them in the player array, but then we have to remove... yeah, okay. We have to... remove them from the snake array. Or, hold on, maybe you don't have to. I'll have to play the ancient C64 version on Steam someday. Nice. So we can keep their player array. Remember when flip phones had the worst internet browser ever? God. I always liked the phones where they like slid up and you had the sideways keyboard. sort of deal. I always liked
Oh,
those.
the like the N-gauge or the sidekick.
Yeah, I have no idea what they were called, but yeah, those were fun.
I Yeah, I had a razor which was like you would kind of flip it like upwards and it would have like a very tiny like thumb keyboard underneath.
Nice.
It kind of felt like you were like pulling a switchblade on somebody.
Nice.
And it had a very satisfying like click when you opened or closed it.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of like plugging the Joy-Con like controllers into a Switch.
Okay, let's try this. I missed the sideways keyboard setup. That shit slapped. That shit was fun. Okay, so just a test of this respawn command. I'm gonna try something. Don't get too into it, in case this doesn't work. I'll eat something. Boom, don't get too into it, considering I'm fucking up your commands here. Oh god, here we go. So then if I respawn... Where am I? There I am. Oh! Well, that didn't work. That was cool. Why didn't that work? Do I have to destroy everything that it made too? Oh, I probably do have to do that. Oi, oi, oi. Win. Can I, like, Can I get everything associated with this actor? I don't think I can. Oh wait, no, I have a pieces array, don't I? Snake components. Should probably wrap it up here soon. For each.
Yeah, I'm starting to lose a bit of steam on
Yeah.
on my progress too. I'm getting to the point where I need to start redesigning how the hat system works for the slimes. That's gonna be a pain in the ass because I think it's adjusting the position of the hats for the different slime evolutions is like one of the more like spaghetti code bits of spaghetti code that I have in the stream. I'm trying to figure out like if I could use like a data table or something as like a lookup instead of like a switch on class or some shit. I don't know.
Yeah.
Because I have to store all the hats, and then I have to store like a transform for each one. So I'm trying to figure out if I can make a structure for that. But I would have to be able to update the hats in there without like breaking things like in the future. And I know when you update a struct, that can break things that are depending on it.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's what broke my 5.3 project. Something struct related.
Yeah. Because I can't just have like... Because all the slimes are shaped so differently that I really have to customize how they're placed. I can't just like have a bone socket that I attach like, you know, like the whatever the mesh is. I need to like switch on each one specifically.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Rusty, it's like I have to like place them, scale them, and rotate them. So yeah, I would need like a full transform. A lot of the hats I don't have to do that for, but like they do have a bone socket for hats, but like some of the slimes are spheres and some of them are shaped like boxes. So like I have to really like customize how each hat, like I wouldn't be able to do like a procedural thing. So I'm wondering if I can make like a data table or something with all that stuff. Because right now it's just a bunch of like relative like transform nodes with like spaghetti attaching all of them.
We love spaghetti.
I'm trying to at least make the spaghetti all facing the same direction.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe I'll leave this respawn stuff for later, but I think regardless, that was a good good dev session, I think. Hopefully it was productive for the both of us.
I mean, yeah, it was productive for me, and your game's come along really nice. So.
I'm very excited. Very excited.
Yeah. I'm excited to see you excited about it.
Yeah. Do you have any raid suggestions? Do you have anyone online?
Oh.
While I take a look at my end. Yeah, I'm starting to feel it in my neck and back here. I feel old.
Yeah, I'm getting to the point where I know I'm not like making the best use of my time trying to continue with that kind of situation.
Yeah, I feel that. Oh wait.
Let's see, Arialia's on, Endeavor TV's on.
Mega Mocap's on too. Oh wait, didn't Dead Sun say they were gonna play something?
Yeah, I think Dead Sun and Mocap are streaming a game together.
Oh. I know nothing about this game though.
Yeah, it kind of looks like a. Actually, I don't know what it is. It kind of reminds me of one of those like streamer games where it's like Lethal Company or whatever. I don't know.
I see, got you.
Maybe not.
Sorry is playing Balatro. I'm trying to see if I have anybody new. Anyone I haven't raided in a while.
I guess my vote would be like Arialia, sorry, Endeavor.
Oh,
I meant to say Endeavor, but
You're right.
Arialia is also good.
I don't think I've raided Endeavor in a while. Ooh, and things look new. Or things look newer. Yeah, sure. Let's go say hello.
Yeah, Endeavor is another Unreal Engine based VTuber that puts on these like digital like dance parties. It's kind of loud like techno music, so like tone shift like warning, but yeah,
For sure.
very fun there.
Yeah, still a very cool environment and all that shit, so. Yeah. Let's get this raid going. Well, thank you for deving with me. This was very fun.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
Thanks for the stream. Well, thanks for popping in, Freedom. I'm sorry you and Boom got stuck. Yeah. I don't know what my plans are for streaming in the future. I'm still trying to figure out my schedule since I'm back to work now. But we'll see how it goes. She was in full yes, I know. Did it on purpose. Absolutely.
I think the next time I stream is probably gonna be Saturday of the next Saturday.
Got you. Cool. Go watch Fruitsy, go follow Fruitsy. Follow me if you want to, I guess, but let's get raiding.
Follow Noodle Cat, do it.
Alright.
Do it, you cowards.
You cowards. Alright, let's eyeball spin, yeah?
Whee.